Today's guest is the founder of Quant Solution, Malaysian-based company that aims to be one of the best trading solution provider for both institution and retail traders in Southeast Asia region. With his designation as a certified financial technician by the International Federation of Technical Analysts and also full member of world-renowned Society of Technical Analysts United Kingdom, our guest today is a highly sought-out speaker in Malaysia, a regular speaker in Kuala Lumpur Stocks Exchange. As a full-time trader who has coached more than 1,500 new traders over the years, I am very sure he has plenty of story how to navigate the market and to build up competency to become a profitable trader. With that, please join me to welcome Ezone Constantine, founder of Quant Solutions.
All right, everybody. Once again, welcome right here to our very special learning session today. How to reap awesome profit right here in Forex trading. Once again, everybody, good day and welcome to this special session. And as usual, guys, before we get started right here, I want to check with all of you right here. Can you all hear me? Can you all see me clearly? If yes, just go ahead there and type on the chat section. Type there awesome if you all can hear me and if you all can see me. Once again, everybody, welcome. I miss you guys. You know, this session right here is going to be very interesting. Now, before we get started right here, I want each and every of you right now, go to the chat section. Okay, if you all can hear me, okay, and you can see me, just type there awesome on the chat section. Let me know. Okay, let me have a look here. Buncheng say yes. Termini say awesome. Donald say awesome. Gertie Cinti say awesome. Jessica Chai, Jonathan, Kenny Ong, Alvaro, Laura, Katerina, May, Ganesh, Tek Bek Heng, Murti, Segar, Diana. Once again, everybody, awesome day. It's nice to see all of you here again. And I know that you're all excited for this session, and same go with me. I'm absolutely excited just like you guys, because today you will definitely learn something cool today. All right, now before we get started right here, I want to make sure that you all can see my slides. I prepared something cool for you guys. Yes, I know some of you, you're excited, you cannot wait already for this session. Same go with me. I have been counting the data so that you all can learn. Now today is more about you guys, right? It's about you guys. All right, now let me check first. Okay, can you all see? All right, let me check first. All right, can you all see my slides? If yes, just type the yes. Yeah, let me know. Okay, so yes, today is about learning. Okay, so I want you to pay attention because we're gonna dive in later on with a strategy. So today is an awesome learning session you guys gonna have with me. All right, once again, everyone, welcome right here, Sir Ezone Constantine, the founder of Quant Solutions, and of course the Ultimate Forex Program. And today is going to be a very special session for all of you. All right, now before we get started right here, and I just want to check with all of you here that I just want to keep you guys updated. We actually opened this webinar, okay, for 100 slots, okay, and we want to exclusive of 100 because we're going to learn together. But today we were quite shocked. The number of registration today is 760. Can you all type there wow on the chat section? It's a wow. It's like really like it's like 7 times higher. That we're quite surprised with this number because we thought that this is like we done with only 100, but boom, it's 760. It's like you guys really want to learn. So congratulations for those who managed to be in this webinar. You all are special. So today is your lucky day. All right, so I want you to pay attention. All right, now I have a special announcement right here. Those who join this webinar or this class today, I have a special gift for each and every of you. I want to appreciate each and every of you. All right, so I want you to stay tuned towards the end of the webinar, because I will show you guys on how to download my free ebook right here, Getting Started in Forex Trading, that worth $37, and another special bonus for you guys today. I'm gonna give you guys towards the end as well Excel file for your Forex money management, and it is worth $99. And these both special gift all together worth $136, and I'm gonna give you guys for absolutely for free. I appreciate each and every of you. Now, how many of you want this special gift? Just type there, yes, I want, on the chat section. Let me know. Just type there, yes, I want, right? Just type there, yes, I want, on the chat section. Let me know who won this, right? If you won this two awesome special e-gift, make sure that you stay tuned towards the end of the webinar, because I appreciate each and every of you attend this special webinar. Okay, so make sure that you stay tuned towards the end. I can see you guys. Tamini say yes, I won. Zahida say I won. Nagesh say yes, I won. Wani say yes, I won. Whoa, Lufti say look at that. Yosh, I won. Haha, awesome, awesome. Keep it awesome, guys. You guys are amazing. Lovely, lovely. I won. Right one. Whoa, look at that. You can say I won, I won, I won. Yeah, yeah. Awesome, awesome. Okay. So first of all, I think before we get started right here, before the other friend of yours as well to join, I think the number is going to be increased today later on up to 1,000. Up to 1,000 possible for this special class right here. So I'm so excited to get to know each and every of you. So guys, let's do something cool together here, right? So for the next 2 minutes here, just only 2 minutes, I want each and every of you tell me your name, your occupation, and where you're from. You can tell me which country that you're from or which state. Okay, so take your time right here. Go to the chat section. Just type your name, your occupations, and where you're from. Just type it first, then only you guys click the enter. So go ahead, guys. Go to the comment and chat section right now. Let's have fun. Okay, let's have fun. This is awesome class right here. You have a lot of classmates today. So just go ahead and type your name, your occupation, where you're from, and which country you're from. Okay, so you just take your time. So you put your name. Say for example, your name is Mark. Okay, so Mark, then you put Mark, comma, engineer, comma, from Malaysia, Kedah, something like that. So then you get, you click answer, right? So I'm going to read it out loud here. So each and every of you, let me check. Who's the lucky one? I'm going to pick name here. Okay, I'm going to read each and every of you on your chat section right here. Okay, let me have a look. Charmaine, a student from Brunei, awesome. Alvaro, a graphic designer from Spain. All right, awesome. We have people all the way from Spain. That is amazing. Tarmini, housewife from Malacca. Kins, Dexter, retiree from Sabah. Okay, Alvin is from KK Sabah. Ibrahim from Algeria. Oh, we have friends from Algeria, from Spain. Look at that, my friend is not only within Malaysia, but we have people all over the world as well joining us here today. That's awesome. Charles Lim, a freelancer from Malaysia. Zahida is therapist from Singapore. Intai Itnaini. Okay, Itnaini is safety officer from Miri Sarawak. Okay, orang Miri. All right. Joni from Sabah. Awesome. Let me have a look here. Joseph Key, sales exec. Lee Chi Kun, engineer from Malaysia. Awesome. Kogilan, Leo Tian, Marilyn, Clark, Kota Kinabalu. Oh, look at that, guys. I want you all to look at the chat section. It's really, really awesome. You guys are amazing. Look at that. Bunch Seng, technician from Penang. Okay. Kok from Sarawak. Segar Arumugam, retired from Penang. Wani. Oh, look at that. The number is going to come in. You guys are amazing. So I'm just going to pick another few more here. Terry, police from Miri. Ganesh, construction safety officer Malaysia. Hanok, lawyer from Jakarta. Oh, apa kabar orang Jakarta? Oh, look at that, my friend. We have people from Indonesia as well. Oh, this is amazing. Awesome. So Aaron is retired from Kluang Johor. Shukor, a Grab driver from KL. Gina Tan, 65 years old, retired lady from Singapore. Wow, we have friends as well from Singapore. Welcome, everyone. Oh my God, this is so amazing. This is really, really amazing, guys. Look at that. We have people all the way from all over the world. So good job, guys. You guys are awesome. I want you all to keep this positive energy. All right, so there's a reason you guys are here. Okay, there's a reason you guys are here. So probably there's a 3 reason why you are here today. Number 1, some of you absolutely newbie. How many of you is newbie here? Just type the newbie and beginner. Okay, so maybe you have no idea about Forex market, but you are excited, want to know. You want to know the potential of Forex market. Can Forex market become your source of income or become your part-time or full-time income in future? So how many of you come here for because of this reason number one? Just type the yes. All right. If you are absolutely newbie and beginner, the reason you are here to this special class today, okay, for about 2 hours plus, is because you want to know the potential of making money in forex market possible, maybe can become your source of income, because maybe some of you have intention you want to do this as a part-time or full-time. Is that correct? So look at that, a lot of you here is newbie here. Awesome. And I know some of you is watching me right now is some of you is not newbie, you already trade in the market like 1 years or 2 years or 3 years. And that coming to the reason number two, you coming here because some of you already tired and frustrated. Why you could not get a consistent result? 1 year you trade in the forex market, still not going anywhere. Second years you trade in the forex market, still not going anyway. Now the third year that you're trading, you're still not seeing any result. How many of you right here coming because of this reason number two? You have no clue. Like, you attend many courses, you read a lot of books, you join a lot of Telegram group, you watch all the YouTubes. But why? But why you cannot get a consistent result? How many of you coming to this webinar because of this reason number two? Just type there, me. Let me know. Right? Some of you like feel frustrated, like every time you're about to get consistent result, and bam, that's it. You donate back your money, you donate back your profit into the market, right? You just start to consistent a little bit, and again, you hit stop loss, you hit margin call, you have no clue why. So how many of you are coming because of reason number two? Yes, okay, I quite understand that, right? So this is the reason number two why some of you coming to this webinar. Now, reason number three, some of you here because you want to know what strategy that you can use in order for you to turn, okay, from losing trade to be a profitable trader. You want to know what strategy that you can use. You want to know what you don't know. Now, how many of you coming because of the reason number two? You want to know what strategy that you can use to be a profitable trader. So how many of you coming also because of reason number three? Okay, so let me know. Just update me because of reason, or maybe because your reason is all 1, 2, 3. I do not know. How many of you is like coming here because of sir, I coming here because of all these three reasons. 1, 2, 3 is all. I sapu habis all. All right. So yes, if that's the thing, right? So you all coming right here in a very, very awesome class right here. So we're going to talk about all these three reasons as well. Okay, so Eric Tan say all the three reasons, right? So yes, I quite understand that, right? So just to let you all know, right, I met a lot of students, and they most of them, they share exactly the same thing like you guys feel right now. There's a lot of pain, especially when you don't have the right knowledge in trading the market. Okay, so today I'm telling you guys, right, most of our audience here is combination of, some of you here is newbie, some of you here is absolutely zero knowledge, but many of you here is already trade in the market. So there's quite number of you. It's like 60 to 70% of you already in the market, but maybe you don't have your consistent result yet, right? So this is why you all are here today, right? Now, before we get started right here, as usual, it's a bit disclaimer right here for all of you. So remember, if you want to trade in the Forex market, I always want to remind this: you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. That's all. Full stop, right? Never ever put the money that you cannot afford to lose, all right? So this is the very, very important part, right? So you only use extra money, okay? Extra money. So before deciding to trade, you should become aware of all the risks associated with trading, and make sure that you seek advice from an independent and suitable licensed financial advisor. So under no circumstances shall we have any liability to any person or entity of any loss, damage in whole, part, caused by, resulting from, relating or to any transaction, any direct or indirect, special, consequential, or incidental damage and whatsoever. So please trade responsible. So remember, you almost understand the risks. That is why I'm telling you guys, do not rush in your learning. All right. Now, earning disclaimer here, I will be sharing with you all some of my students as well that they're successfully trade in the Forex market. So remember, every effort that we made here is accurately represent this program and the potential. But again, there's no guarantee that you will earn any money using this technique and ideas in this program. The examples or testimonials in this webinar are not to be interpreted as promise or guaranteed of earning. So remember, each of them they're earning, okay, there is entirely depend on how they use the program, how they use the idea, and how is the technique, how fast they learn, right? So it all depends on many factors. Okay, so it's a bit earning disclaimer right here for you guys. All right, so before we get started right here, this is in-house rule. I have 3 important rules because this is my webinar. This is my house. So make sure that you follow in-house rule. Number 1, I only want positive people in my webinar. So how many of you like positive people? Just go ahead there and type positive on the chat section. I only want positive people in my webinar. I only want those who really hungry, wanted to learn. You want to ask questions. You want to know how you want to go the next step. So this is the only people like I love to be here in my webinar. So positive people, just type the positive people. All right. So next thing, if I found out some of you here coming with the intention, okay, you love to be negative, you love to give a rude command, you like to be provocative, you're coming here not intention to learn, but you're being so ego and you just have nothing to do. You just want to disturb the whole entire webinar and class. So I give you about 30 seconds right now. Please leave the webinar right now. There is no room for negative people right here, and there's no room for any rude command here. Okay, our team right here will be ban you immediately. All right, so now before you get banned immediately, I allow each and every of you, those who already have this kind of intention, you're coming here for the purpose is not to learn, but your purpose is actually just to what? Wasting your time. So I give you about 30 seconds right now. Please leave the webinar right now, because in this webinar, everybody want to focus on their learning. All right. Now, last but not least, right here, this is a class. Okay. So I want each and every of you make sure that you give your 100% attention. Okay, just type that 100%. Okay, type that 100% attention, right? So I want you to participate in the conversation. This is learning. You all are learning with your classmate right now from all over the world. We have people from Malaysia, Brunei, Singapore, Spain, we have Algeria. Wow, we have so people from Indonesia, all over the world. They're all learning together. They all spare their time. So I want each of you right now to learn together with your classmate right now virtually. All right, but give your 100% attention. Okay, so awesome, lovely, you guys are amazing. Okay, so those who are listening us live right now, I want you, each and every of you, to turn up your volume, right? Your earphone, your headphone. And those who have a distraction right now, I mean, if you listening me live on the public in the Starbucks right now, go to play something that's really quiet, right? Okay, and make sure that you have no distraction like from WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media, because right now you want to learn with me. So go and find the area that you can learn. Okay, all right, so I leave that one to you guys. All right, so now, some of you right here have no idea about who I am, and some of you probably know. Some of you already attend my program as well. So I think it's very important as well, because just now all of you introduce yourself. I think it's very important as well for me to introduce my name. All right, those who do not know me, my name is Ezone Constantine, and I'm all the way from Malaysia, and I'm all the way from Sabah. Any of Sabahan people here? Yes, okay, and a lot of people think that Ezone is a company name. No, that is my real name. Okay, Ezone Constantine, right? And just to let you know, I'm an investor and trader in the stock market and foreign exchange. Just to let you know as well, I'm a certified financial technician. That means I have the special skills, right, to reading charts and reading graph. Okay, so I'm a CFT under International Federation of Technical Analysts, IFTA USA, and also a full member of Society of Technical Analysts United Kingdom. And in Malaysia, we have a stock market known as Bursa Malaysia. I'm one of the former marketing representative of UOB Kay Hian. Now, in Malaysian stock market, usually Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange or Bursa Malaysia, they invite me, to give speech, okay, to give talk, especially about reading the charts. So there's a few times I was invited as a keynote speaker, and I'm really, really blessed, get a chance to empower a lot of people. So I got featured in Bursa Malaysia, Bursa Marketplace, Focus Malaysia, Online Trading Summit, and Fun Expo. So this is a little bit humble journey of me, and I still remember when I got a chance to be featured in one of the very premium newspaper, which is Focus Malaysia. They're featuring me as part of the researcher in the stock market. So this is one of the articles that I came out in Malaysia. And also, you guys can see here, I was a few times invited as a keynote speaker in Bursa Malaysia. So this is one of the largest one that I had together with Bursa Malaysia. And a couple of years ago, I was also invited in the one of the largest online trading summit in the world, where we have about 55,000 audience in the world. And it's a very honor for me that they invite me as one of the 25 trading experts in the world. So on the same virtual stage right here, I'm sharing the same stage with there's a few speakers that like best-selling author, best speaker like Adam Khoo, Jack Schwager, famous YouTuber like Rainer Teo, Mike Belafort, and so many awesome speaker right there, right? And I still remember, this is also my awesome memory right here. Back in Penang, this is one of the largest event that physically, if there's no COVID, right, guys, I really miss this kind of physical event, right? So this is where we give a speech in the stock market. There's about 10,000 visitors in this event. It is one of fantastic right here. It's so interesting. Actually, managed to share this knowledge to all of them. All right. So, and this online trading summit, they ranked me as a top 7 best speaker. And just to let you know, we impact more than 50,000 audience. And just to let you all know, I have trained, coach more than 2,500 retail traders, just like you guys as well. Now, remember, guys, I was just once upon a time, just like you, still learning. And today I get a chance to impact. And I want today learning, it's all about you. All right. So yes, I produce students that earn to 5 to 6 figure profit. Now, this is a very, very humble journey for me for the past couple of years, especially empower traders, empower investors. And until one day, this is quite shocking to me as well. One of the very famous, one of the very, very big encyclopedia of successful people in Malaysia, which is Britishpedia, they call me up and they say that, Sir Ezone, we would like to feature you on the 3rd edition, okay, of Encyclopedia of Successful People in Malaysia. Now, inside this encyclopedia, they're featuring people like Tun Mahathir, Tony Fernandez, and many more. So this is like really, really awesome news for my family, for my kids, for my wife, and also for my companies and to my team. So this is a very humble journey for me. And just to let you all know, today is all about you. I want today's knowledge that can empower you guys, right? I want today learning is going to be the best for you guys, so that you learn something right here, and hopefully that you can see there's a bit improvement, okay, on your learning and on your trading journey. So wow, this is amazing, right? So thank you so much, guys, especially to all my students. They continue to pray for me. Now this is time for me to give back to you guys, right? So all right, so that is a little bit about my background. Now, this is the thing that I want to share with all of you. Remember this: before you earn money, okay, before you earn, you got to learn first. How many of you agreed with me? All right. I can look at the chat section here. A lot of Sabahan friends as well. Look at that, right? Okay, how many of you agree with me here? Before you want to earn money, before you want to become successful, it is very important for you to learn first. That is why I'm saying to all of you here, do not rush in your learning. I've seen many cases again and again. Newbie days, they always rush in learning. When they rush, they skip a lot of process. And that is why I see a lot of newbie, they lose a lot of money. Because why? They're not patient enough in learning. But not like you guys. You guys are so cool. Because why? You spend your time right here to learn. So remember, learn first, then you earn. It is okay. Thing takes time. Okay, it is okay you don't get the result yet because you're still in learning process. But once you get the skills, guys, nobody can stop you guys, right? The earning potential is unlimited. All right. So, okay, now, all right. So today we will cover three important topics. Okay, three important topics. Topic number one: what is the 10 facts that you need to know before trading in the Forex market? Okay, so it is the first topic right here. 10 facts that you need to know before you trade in the Forex market. And topic number two, we are going to talk about trading strategy directly. How many of you interested want to learn the topic number two? Just type there, me. Topic number two and topic number three, very interesting. I'm going to combine this together. Today, I will share with you guys directly one simple trading strategy, including how you can manage your risk in the Forex trading. How many of you? How many of you excited, especially for the topic number two and number three? Just type it. Me, sir. All right. So we're going to cover all these three topics today. Okay. Yes, I can see that. Look at that. Leon say excited to learn. Right. Cool. Beverly, Calipar, Leon Tian, Jean, Jimmy, Duke. Rizwan Putra, Sasitika, Kinchan. Okay, come on. Okay, awesome. You guys are amazing. Okay, so now because today is a learning, yeah, is a class. So I hope that each and every of you, please get ready with your pen and notebook. Are you all ready or not? Just type there ready. So go ahead, guys. Grab any nearby pen that near to you and grab any A4 paper because there's something right here that you need to write down. Guys, today the learning start right now. Okay, this is not a normal webinar. It's learning already directly. So I want each and every of you make sure that you get ready with your pen and notebook. Okay, pen and notebook. So if you are ready, just type in the chat section, ready, sir. Just type ready, sir. And I'm gonna kick off right now. Okay, look at that. You guys are amazing. All right, look at that. Good. All right. Okay, so first of all, we're going to talk about 10 facts. Okay, 10 facts that you need to know before trading in the Forex market. Okay, 10 facts that you need to know. All right. Now, number one, Forex market is one of the largest daily trading or daily turnover is $6.6 trillion. Now in the financial market we have so many kind of market. We have stock market, we have cryptocurrency, we have forex, we have gold. Now let's talk about the generally what is the average daily turnover of stock market. Now in London Stock Exchange daily turnover is roughly about 7.2 billion. Tokyo Stock Exchange is roughly about 18.9 billion. New York Stock Exchange. Hey guys, when I'm talking about stock exchange, I'm talking about the stocks that you can buy, you can invest. Company like Facebook, Apple, Alibaba, Tesla, right? Now, if you look at the daily turnover, most of them right here. So New York is about 22.4 billion, 18.9 billion, 7.2 billion. Now, those who in Malaysia, right? We have a local stock market as well. It's called Bursa Malaysia, right? So roughly the daily turnover is about 1 billion. If the market is good, it's roughly about 1 billion. Now, there's another market is also rapidly growing. I know some of you also already trade probably or maybe hold some of it. It's called cryptocurrency. How many of you involved in cryptocurrency as well? Now, cryptocurrencies continue growing rapidly, right? Cryptocurrencies. Now, today, daily turnover is roughly about 150 billion, right? So, this is a digital coin or cryptocurrency. So, now it's quite popular right now. Okay, it's about 150 billion, right? Now, still the largest one remain Forex market. Guys, is $6.6 trillion. Okay, Forex market still remain the largest, the highest daily trading. Okay, so that's why the liquidity is very high. That means it's easy for you to buy and sell. All right, so guys, how many of you can see Forex market? Is it that big market? Is it like giant monster market? And that's the reason you guys here, right? So just type wow if you think about the Forex market is a very big. I think some of you is like for the very first time, like, sir, I have no idea that Forex market's that giant, that monster. Yes, okay. Forex market is still remain the largest. Now, all this market is good. Don't get me wrong, guys. All this market that you trade or you invest is all good, right? It depends on your risk profile. Okay, if you trade a bit in cryptocurrency, it's fine. If you're holding some stock market right here, it's fine. All market is good. At the end of the day, can it generate you the goal, the target that you want? Okay. All right. So this is the simple market comparison. Now, this is the reason why a lot of people, okay, still prefer to trade forex market. But of course, right now they also start to trade a little bit in the cryptocurrency. Right now, there's a bit different between this is fact number two. There's different between forex, stock market, and cryptocurrency. All this market is also good, but the instrument is very, very different. Now, if you're talking about foreign exchange, you actually trading, buying and selling currency like US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, European euro. So you are taking advantage of the strength and the weakness of the currency pair. You can make money out of it. Okay. So remember, foreign exchange means you are trading by buying and selling currency. Okay. Now in stock market is different. Now some of you confused. Sir, is it forex? Is stock market? The answer is no. It's two different instruments. Okay, so today I want you all to learn, especially newbie, foreign exchange. You are taking advantage of trading the currency, the strength and the weakness. So if you see like pound, okay, GBP pound is stronger than euro, you want to take advantage of it and you can make money. But the instrument that you're trading is basically currency. Okay, nilai mata wang, currency, right? Now, for stock market is different. You are buying company, okay, like Facebook, Coca-Cola, Apple, Amazon, okay, those who from your own country, right? Those who from your own country, can you type which kind of stocks that you know? All right, go ahead. Which kind of stock market that maybe you already invest in? Okay, now cryptocurrency is another one, is a new one. Okay, it's a digital a coin, but it's called cryptocurrency. So there's a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and many more. Now you can trade any of the instrument and all can make money as well, as long that you know what you're doing, right? But the only thing is, right, I want to highlight each and every of you today, especially newbie. This tree is absolutely different instrument. Okay, it's different instrument. It's just like fruits. If you eat apple, it's different than oranges. Oranges is totally different than, like grapes. Okay, so it's three all different markets, but you can make money in all the markets. Okay, so today in effect number two, just want to let you all know is not the same instrument. Okay, so guys, if you have a question as well, don't forget just to type in the chat section if I get a chance, and I will definitely answer it. Guys, don't worry, I will definitely try to pick some of the question right here for you guys, and I will answer it. Okay, no worry about that one, guys. Right now, fact number three right here. Okay, you can generate profits, okay, regardless the market is going up or regardless the market is going down. Yes, this is the awesome thing about forex market. You can make money in both way. How many of you like that? Market going up, you can have potential profit. If market going down, what? Market going down? Yes, you heard me right. If market going down, you can make profit as well. How many of you like it? How many feel like, wow, that is awesome, sir? Right? How many of you feel like, wow, it's really awesome making market going up? Wow, make money. Market going down? Wow, can make money as well. And that is the beauty of forex market, and this is the reason why forex becomes so popular. All right. Now, the next thing here, forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week, so you can trade anytime, anyway. As long as you get connected to the internet, you can trade. So that's mean you don't really need to quit your job. You don't have to. You don't need to fire your boss. You can trade part-time. That's mean if morning you go to your job, nighttime you can trade because the market is open 24 hours. Those who in Asia, awesome, because why? Those who in Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, you can start to trade after 3 p.m. or after you're coming back from your home, after 8 p.m., 9 p.m., nighttime, after you have your dinner. You can trade. How awesome is that? Okay, so this is why forex market is so interesting, and you can do it part-time. Right now, how many of you agree with me? Number 5, trade Forex may be simple, but today this is the real fact that I want to share with you. But it's not easy. How many of you agree with me? Especially those who already 2 years or 3 years or maybe more. Then how many years in the Forex market? How many of you agree with me? Trade Forex may be simple. How simple? You just open a trading account, click buy and sell. Yeah, that's how simple it is. But it's not easy. Okay? It's not easy. Guys, if Forex market is so easy, everybody already become multi-millionaire. It should not be easy. That should be that way. Okay? It should not be easy. But how many of you agree with me? Right? Forex is not easy. Yes. Now, guys, look at the chat section, and those who type agree, they know it's not easy. Okay. Now, today I will tell you guys a truth fact. If somebody out there they say, "Ah, it's very very easy," it's not easy, but it's achievable. You can become successful, right? You still can become successful. Okay. So now, number 6 here, if you want to become a good Forex trader, okay, you must learn how to read both fundamental. That's mean there's one skills that you all need to know as well, reading the news, reading the high impact news. It's called fundamental. So remember, if you want to become a good Forex trader, you must learn how to read the high impact news because one piece of news can move the price go up and down. Now, this is a lot of problem with newbie. They skip the part about reading the news. And when they trade the market, they don't know why suddenly the market go up and down rapidly. Because why? They're too lazy. They don't want to learn. Now, those who want to know this, change your mind right now. Please start to learn already how to read high impact news. Okay? Next skills that you need to learn is the art of reading the chart and the graph, which is this is my favorite. Okay, you must have a technique. Is it there's a technique to read the chart and the graph? The answer is yes. So if you know how to read the chart and the graph, this is what we call technical analysis. So you need both. Okay, you need both. Look at that. Nurul say already MC after a few months of trading, right? So there's a lot of skills, right? There's a lot of skills right here that we need to tell you guys. So if you want to become a good Forex trader, remember, you must be balanced in both. You cannot be just like only focus on reading charts, okay? And you cannot just focus only learn how to read the high impact news. So you must be balanced, all right? Now, number 7 here. This is the true fact about retail traders. Only 10% will succeed. Meanwhile, 90% will fail. How many of you agree with me? Now, Intani say, sir, what is high impact news? High impact news means, okay, high impact news means every single day there will be a economic report. There will be a data. Say, for example, if one country release a data, means a lot of people get job in that particular country. Once this data release, possible it can make certain currency become stronger. And if the currency becomes stronger, you can take the opportunity to make money out of it. Okay, so don't worry about the high impact news. Later on, I'm going to share with you guys, especially those who interested, wanted to learn the technique how to read high impact news. Yes, there is a method for that. But anyway, how many of you agree with me, especially the fact number 7 here? Only 10% will be successful and 90% actually fail in trading the Forex market. Now, how many of you agree with me? Actually, it's not only about Forex market. Even in business, even in life, if you see all over the world, it's only 10% is successful. Meanwhile, 90% will fail. You see a business, those who start business, the first 1-2 year, only how many survive? After 5 years, many numbers is dropped. Now, it's not only about Forex trading, it's also about life. You will see. Okay, life is the same. It's only about like 10% will be so super successful. Okay, and the reason you all are here today is because you don't want to become part of the 90%. You want to be the part of the 10%. How many of you agree with me? Just type they awesome. The reason that you all are here today is because you say, sir, I don't want to be part of the 90%. I want to join the group of the 10%. Okay, the 10% that will be successful. Okay, and that is the reason you all are here. If yes, just type day awesome. Okay, all right. So, Lim, later I will share with you why. Okay, later we will share with you why 90% trader will fail. Okay, it's only 10% will be successful. Okay, especially retail traders. All right. Now, number 8. This is to answer you, Lim. All right. Why 90% of trader fail? Okay, why 90% of the trader, especially the newbie, fail? Because they skip few important process. Okay, let me share with you. Newbie, when they start in trading, they already have in their mind, if I have $100, they want to imagine, I want to turn this money into $100,000 within 2 months. Guys, think about this. Is it realistic or not? You just started to learn. You want to have $100, and within 2 months, you want to turn $100 to $100,000. And in terms of learning, this is the question. Guys, I'm telling you, this is happening. Newbie coming to me and ask, sir, I want to learn everything. Can I master everything in 2 months? Guys, is that realistic or not? But this is what happened. Newbie always have this wrong mindset. They always believe, oh, I want to turn a very tiny small money, $100. When within 2 months, it become $100,000. Okay? And they always ask this question, can I learn something in less than 2 months only and I become pro in trading? Not possible. Guys, is this realistic goal? But I'm telling you all, this is the reason, one of the number one reason many traders fail, because their mindset is always want to turn smallest amount of money into the biggest amount of money in the shortest period of time without any experience. How many of you agree with me? And because of they have this kind of mindset, most of them blow up their account. Most of them, they lose money along the journey. Because why? Unrealistic goal. Become so greedy. Not patient in learning. How many of you agree with me? Lim, Pang Shin. This is the reason. Now, some of you can argue with me, but sir, I've seen people doing that. Yes, you've seen people doing this, but not many people can do that. They already have experience, at least like 10 years or 15 years in the market. But you are still newbie, and you asking a question, can I master everything in 2 months? And not only just master everything in 2 months, you're talking about, sir, can I turn $100 to $100,000 within 2 months? Because why? I'm telling you all the truth. This is among the reasons why 90% trader fail, because of unrealistic goal. That's number one. Not patient in their learning. Second one. Okay? Second one. Not patient in their learning. Third, being greedy. If they don't change their mindset, they will continue to stay like this again and again and again. How many of you agree with me? Yes, this is the people that they like to go buy jackpot. Yeah, they like to go to Toto, 4D, jackpot. They like to buy numbers. There's nothing wrong with that. But they always want to do something like this. Easy way. That's the reason why they fail. A lot. Okay? And they're not patient. They're really not patient in learning. Wow, sir, need to learn this. Wow, sir, need to learn that one. Wow, sir, can I go quickly, faster? Wow, sir, cannot lah. I cannot take like this learning. I might as well I do copy trade. Or might as well I ask somebody else to manage money for me. They go to another way. They buy robots, they buy they do so many things. Trust me. Those who understand this just type they right? Now the real genie is this. Okay, real genie is like this. The first thing is definitely they will spend time learning first. Okay, a real true trader is they really spend their time in the journey. Now, there's no timeline. You're talking about to be successful in trading. You don't come to me and say, sir, can I master everything within 2 months? The answer is no. Okay, but sir, I see some people is like very quick, like 3 months to 4 months. It depends how fast your brain or your experience can absorb. Each and every of you is not the same capacity. Okay, but this is the real journey right here. First, you learn. You have either you learn yourself, either you learn from the book, either you have a coach. Doesn't matter what method that you want to do. But the first step is actually to learn with demo account first. But how many newbies keep the demo account? Demo not so nice, sir. I don't feel anything. They go and straight away put in the real money. I've seen it how people blow up $15,000, $50,000 because why? They're not being patient enough. They're so egoistic. Oh, demo account is not cool for me. But how many of you know that the demo account is so important because it creates the atmosphere first? Okay. Remember, if you can grow your demo account, that means there's already potentially that you can grow your live account. How many of you agree with me? Now, demo account means you are trading with not real money, but the market is real. So if you lose the demo account money, you don't feel that much pain. Okay, but at the same time, you can improve your mistake. So learning demo account, I've seen so many newbies, they skip this part, and that is the reason why they fail. So please listen this carefully, guys. Be patient. But so how long am I going to stay in the demo account? Until you can grow your demo account consistently. Until then, you are not allowed to start with live account. But sir, I have so many bills to pay. I have so many these things to pay. I want to pay this. I want to pay that. I want to. Guys, I'm telling you all, the market doesn't care about what you want to have. Okay, market is nasty. Okay, forex market is volatile. You need to be patient in your learning. Now, once you can grow your demo account consistently, then only you go to the live account. Now, you start with small amount of money first. Why need to start with a small amount of money? Because the moment you put real money, emotion kick in. Emotion kick in. Okay, so when emotion kick in, this is the best part. You start with a small amount first. You're going to listen a lot of funny story. Those who already trade in the market, just type they haha if you understand what I'm saying. The moment you start with the real money, big difference, right? Suddenly your heart start to pounding. You start to have like fear of not taking profit early or fear of losing money. The emotions start to kick in. Wow, so interesting. When you do your demo account, you're doing so good. But when you start your live account with small money, the result seems like not consistent. How many of you agree with me? Those who know what I'm saying, this is the real fact. Until you start to master your emotion and your money management, then your live account can grow. Now, all these things is take time. It's not 2 months. Some of you, it required the first 6 months. I repeat again, your first learning process, the most important part is the first 6 months of your learning. I have a lot of students, they go through, some of them, I don't even allow them to start with live account. 6 months, they demo. But after the 6 months, boom, the result is so consistent. Okay, so be patient in your learning. Now, once your live account is already growing, then you can increase your capital slowly, gradually. Okay, gradually. And during that time also, you're still learning about the market. Take your time. So you're gonna go to 1 year, you're gonna go to 2 years journey. Then after the third year journey, you become what? You become matured in the market. And now you're not aiming for quick reach of success, but rather than consistent trade in the market. And hopefully, if you get a consistent trade, you're able to get the goal that you want. Okay, now this is the real journey right here. Okay, I can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Faisal say demo account is good for skill training, but isn't train your emotion in trading? Yeah, isn't train your emotion, Faisal. But in the live account, yes. But that's why the live account you start with small first, then slowly you increase the capital. Okay. Now Kenny Ong said sir, but demo account got time limit. Hey, you can. Number two, having a good methodology is not good enough. You must have a good money management. You can have a very sniper technique, but if you trade like a gambler, okay, overconfident in the market, this is where I see a lot of newbie, they lose money. Now, I'm talking this one is a serious fact. Now, those who agree with me, just that they agree. They can have 3 to 4 times a good winning trades. Suddenly, they become so overconfident, okay, and they start to bet really, really big, more than they're supposed to bet or more they're supposed to be make. They're supposed to trade small and consistent, but suddenly they become greedy and overconfident. Okay, use exactly the same strategy, but during at a time the market go the opposite side. This is where they lose a lot of money and they start to feel regret and they're disappointed. So how many of you agree with me? Yeah, Surenta say yes. Methodology strategy, yes. Methodology is your trading strategy. What is your trading strategy? That will be fall under methodology. Okay, money management is very, very important. I've seen a lot of good trader. They don't risk a lot. They trade small. The key is trade small and consistent. Okay, not trade big and become rich quicker. Wrong mindset. Okay, I've seen some of them that they try to bet everything big, end up they lose even more. Okay, they become stressful. Okay, if you trade small, you have a lesser stress and you can manage the risk better. Last but not least is your mindset. Okay, without good methodology and money management, okay, your mindset is going to go different way. Okay, mindset is one of the key here that you need to learn how to be steady in the market. Okay, I'm talking about how you control your fear. Now, fear has so many style, guys. Fear of losing money, fear of losing profit, right? Greed. There will be one point that you're overconfident. Your greedy start to kick in. Envy. Other friends is making more money than you, and you being envy to some of them and say why you don't get the same result like them, and you become envy and you cannot see things clear and you become a gambler. So that's why I'm telling you all this 3M is very important. Take good care of this to the rest of your life. Okay, 3M. Okay, all right, 3M. Lim said, I don't know lah, never tried, can feel it. Okay, so don't worry. Those who in the journey later on, you will experience this later on, right? So Lim, I know that you are still very, very new, but yeah, just stay tuned and keep on learning and enjoy the learning session for today, right? Now, as a beginner, okay, as a beginner, there's so many strategy that you can start. Okay, some of you have 10 strategies, some of you have a 20 strategy, but I like to let you all know this, okay? You need to choose about 2 to 3 trading strategy only. Okay, you choose 2 to 3 trading strategy first and make sure you master it first. Okay, make sure you master it, then only slowly you can add in more strategies. Okay, I seen a good trader, they don't go more than 5 strategy. Okay, not more than 5 strategy. Okay, but beginner, what they do, they want to go up to 10 to 20 strategy until they become confused. So please check back what kind of strategy that you want to trade. Okay, and today, those who joining my session right now, I give you one strategy at least, okay, for you to get started. How many of you excited for that one? Okay, okay, so 2 to 3 trading strategy that you can choose that is suitable for you. And today, I give you at least one trading strategy. Okay, how many of you interested want to learn the strategy right after this? Okay, so it's so good. Okay, it's good for beginner to start it first. Okay, yeah, it's not the holy grail technique, but it's very good technique for a beginner to start first. Okay, how many of you excited for that one? Yes, I know that, right? Okay, so we already come to the topic number 2 and number 3 together, which is today I'm going to share with you all one simple trading strategy. If you have a question, you can ask a question later on as well. So topic number 2 and number 3, I'm going to combine it together. One simple trading strategy, and at the same time, how to manage your risk in Forex trading. I'm talking about your money management. Okay, get ready with your pen and paper right now. We about to start our learning right now, our class. Okay, so get ready, get ready, get ready. Learn, get ready. Okay, so this is only one simple trading strategy. You can combine this technique with whatever that you have right now. Okay, All right, or you can take this strategy right here to experience first. You learn first. Okay, now this success rate trading strategy is give you success rate between 67 to 68%. Okay, it's not that really high. Now, newbie, you always have the wrong mindset. Strategy must be 100% perfect. No, the real true fact is even with 60% or even 55%, if you know how to handle it, you still end up with profit. Okay, now this one simple trading strategy, okay, if you trade properly, there's an opportunity. Okay, it's not a guaranteed, there is a potential. Okay, about 60 to 67%. The rest is all about how you manage your risk. Okay, so if you're ready, let's start right now. Okay, Lim say actually have how many strategy? A lot of strategy. Okay, at least Lim, you start with one. Now, Lim, I know that you're still very, very newbie, but again, today this class is combined together with both. Okay, one is actually those who absolutely zero knowledge. Now, those who zero knowledge, absolutely newbie, just enjoy the class first. Okay, now those who already experience a bit in the market, today's the class is for you all. Now, those who absolutely zero and beginner, like later on after I share this, you still have no clue. Don't worry. Towards the end, I will show you there's a few topics that you can start later on. All right. So let's begin right here with a trading technique. If you all are ready, just type the ready on the chat section. We're going to start right now. This is one of the trading technique that you can start with. The technique is using Bollinger Band and stochastic. If you all are ready, just type there ready. Now, this technique can be used in foreign exchange. Okay, you can trade with euro US dollar, GBP US dollar. Now you can use this technique as well in stock market, and also you can use this technique in cryptocurrency. Is that awesome? Okay, so now this is the technique reading the charts. Okay, strategy by just looking at the charts alone. Okay, so the technique is called using the Bollinger Band and stochastic. All right, so let's begin right here with what do you need? Okay, so three important recipes that you need here. Number one, we are going to choose a nice time frame. Okay, we choose H4, 4 hourly chart. Again, for those who beginner, those who absolutely zero knowledge, and you're asking me, so what does it mean by 4 hourly chart? It's fine, relax. Just enjoy learning first. Okay, H4 chart. Later, I will explain. Those who want to know deeper later on about all these things, don't worry. Towards the end, I show you guys, especially those who very, very, very newbie, how you want to learn all this, how you get started properly later on. Okay, right now, those who zero knowledge and newbie, just enjoy the learning first and just take note first. Just take note first for your learning purposes. Okay, now why we choose 4 hourly chart is because we found out like this technique allows some of you to trade consistently without feeling panic, need to look at the chart again and again. H4 is technique that is so cool that you can enter today and hold your chart or hold your position like 1 or 2 days. Okay, 1 or 2 days or 3 days, and you can trade without feeling stressed. So that's the reason we use 4 hourly chart. Second recipe that you all need is Bollinger Band and stochastic. We'll talk about what is the number of stochastic as well that we're going to use. Last but not least, we're going to use a secret pattern. Yes, you must memorize this secret pattern. Okay, now we have three important recipe here: 4 hourly chart, Bollinger Band and stochastic, and secret pattern. So let's begin right here with the practice account. Now, those who's very, very newbie, right? You actually can go to this website. Okay, you can go to this website to start your practice first. You can go to investing.com or you can go to tradingview.com. Okay, so these two websites allow especially newbie to start practice first. Now, newbie, you also can open your own broker later on with Forex broker. Okay, you can start with MetaTrader 4 trading platform. You can open with any brokers that you like. Okay, now if some of you ask me what kind of broker that we recommend, don't worry. Later towards the end, I show you there's a program that will tell you guys as well which broker that we think is very, very good. Okay, not all broker that you simply open. Yeah, you want to open with a regulated broker. But for newbie, these two websites is good for you to start because it's free. Okay, they give a free tools here for you all to start. Okay, so you will start with a website. Later, I will show you guys. I show you guys the concept first. Later, we're gonna go to the charts and we're going to do this together. Is that okay? All right. So let's begin right here. Investing.com and tradingview.com. You can start with this and make sure that you select 4-hourly charts. Okay. Now, indicator that we're going to use, Bollinger Band. Get ready. I want you all to write this down. Those who are very newbie, write this down first. Bollinger Band is a very unique indicator. And inside Bollinger Band, there's a 3 important element. Number 1, there is a upper band. Okay, there is a upper band. Later, I will show you guys, right? So there's an upper band, and there is a middle band, and there is a lower band. Okay, so how many level that we have here? 3. Take your pen right now. I want you to write it down. If you are still newbie, please write it down. Okay, upper band, they have a middle band and lower band. So we're going to focus a lot with the upper band and lower band. Okay, upper band and lower band. Okay, guys, are you all okay? Limpang say, rubber band too? Yeah, it's actually act like a rubber band. You are absolutely correct. Now the price is actually with all this band is actually react like the band, rubber band. So when it's a rubber band, when the price you pull it, there will be time that the price will be snap back again. Yep. So Lim, you are absolutely correct, right? Okay. So you all clear? So far so good. Just type there okay. So we have upper band, middle band, and lower band. Remember which one that we're going to pay attention a lot? Upper band and lower band. Now, guys, at the lower band, pay attention. We are interested to buy that particular instrument if the price touch the lower band. That is our intention. So you like to buy here at low and take profit at high. You can exit directly at the upper band. That is our simple intention. Okay. Now, if you plan to sell, we are going to use the upper band. If the price is testing the upper band, we want to know how to go in specifically right there and enter the position and take profit right there down below. Okay, so remember guys, lower band is for the purpose of buy. Okay, we're gonna use a lower band to do entry for buy. And the price continue to go up to the upper band, we're going to use that level to take profit. Now, for sell purpose, that means if you predict that the price can go down, remember, in Forex market, if the price go down, you can make money as well. Now, the question is how you going to use the technique of do a prediction before the price go down. So we're going to use this band here. So upper band, we're going to use this technique for the purpose of sell. Okay, and we're going to use either the middle band or the lower band to exit with a profit. Okay, now again, later on I will share with you all this technique is also come with risk management. There will be a time the trade becomes successful, but there will be a time the trade can fail. So when the trade fail, you need to know how to minimize your risk. Okay, remember, cutting losses and minimize risk is a very important strategy. Now, many of the newbie thinking cutting losses or stop loss is a failure. Wrong mindset. Cut loss is not a failure. Stop loss is not a failure. Stop loss or cut loss is a successful strategy so that you can minimize your impact before the price go really beyond. Okay, so it's a good strategy to have. Okay, so this is the function of Bollinger Band. Now the next indicator that we are going to use stochastic. We're going to use slow stochastic. And the number that we're going to use is 14,3,3. Newbie, just stay tuned. Okay, just write it down first. Don't worry. I'll show you guys later on. Right? So 14,3,3. Now, when coming to stochastic, right? When coming to stochastic, all right. So when coming to stochastic, there is level that we need to read this oscillator. Now, when coming to oscillator, there's a number 0 and there's a number 100. Okay, there's a number 0 and number 100. But what we interested is the level number 20 and level number 80. So I want you all, each of you right now, to write down on your paper. Okay, yes, stochastic have reading of 0 up to 100, but the one that we interested to read is nearby the area of 20 and nearby the area of 80. Okay, 20 and 80. Now, when we read this, I want you to pay attention. When the oscillator start to move, touch, okay, first of all, the oscillator will cross below number 20 first. Look at that. The oscillator will touch below 20 and slowly it hook above 20. This is the style that we're looking for. Because why? If the price is testing, if this oscillator reading level from 0 to 20 is basically telling that your price or that instrument right now is technically very, very cheap. So if technically very, very cheap, it's very good for you to buy. Okay, there's a potential for you all to buy. Now, ladies, how many of you ladies here in this room here? Now, ladies, think about this. If you go to shopping mall, right? How many of you like discount? Guys, how many of you like discount? If you like discount, just type there shopping. Imagine that you like to buy something, a cool stuff, like ladies like handbags, makeups, right, and other stuff, right? But imagine that you go to the mall, right? You go to the shopping mall, right? You come up with a big discount. How many of you ladies here love big discount? Just are they shopping? I want to see how many ladies here. Ladies, where are you, ladies? Look at that. We have Fena here. Come on, who's all the lady here? Okay, where's all the lady here? Yeah. So you want to know, right? Which one is the shopping time? So this is the level that you're interested to shop. Okay, means you want to buy at cheap area. Okay, so Valerie Day, Maimon Day, Nurliana Day. Oh, look at that. This is all the awesome lady trader, right? Awesome. So I want you all remember this. If the oscillator reading go from level 20 to 0 and then slowly it hook back above 20, this is the sign that the price is already quite cheap. This is where you have the intention ready to buy, and slowly with the potential, hopefully the price will continue to go up, and once you see there's a nice area, you can exit with nice profit taking. All right, now for the other side right now, okay, so okay, this is the buy signal. Yeah, so if the oscillator or this number here can cross above 20, always remember this, cross above 20, this is going to be a very interesting idea. Okay, it gives you guys a clue that this price right now is already cheap. Okay, now this is the unique part about stochastic. It's so good to become a nice filter. Okay, now what if this stochastic right now go beyond level 80? Okay, if go beyond level 80, oh, watch out, guys, it's a little bit expensive. Okay, when it's a little bit expensive, okay, a little bit expensive, watch out. Okay, but the good thing about forex trading is when it go to the area that is very expensive, or we call this area is overbought, means too much buying already. Okay, there will be time during this area, in this area, the price can reverse and go down, and that is the cool thing about forex trading. You actually can sell, means you can predict the price go down. If the price go down and you manage to enter the right position, you get paid, you make money out of it. So the question is how to read this number. Okay, so if this slow stochastic is go beyond 80 first, and slowly it dents around 80 to 100, but look here, it start to hook back down like this, it crossed below number 80. Okay, cross below 80 level. This is the sign that the price potentially ready to go down. Okay, potential is not confirmed. Yeah, I only say potential. The price can go lower. So if the price go lower, you like to sell. Okay, you like to sell. Okay, now up to this point, how many of you guys so far so cool? right? So Evelyn says similar to RSI, a little bit different from RSI. RSI will reading number 30 and 70. Okay, but stochastic will be a little bit sensitive. Okay, RSI a little bit smooth. Okay, but RSI is also awesome to read. Okay, reading RSI also using a different technique. Okay, but for this strategy, Evelyn, we are going to use stochastic first. Okay, now you can add on RSI if you want. Okay, guys, so far so good. This is a simple idea first. Okay, just write it down. Okay, wow, you guys are amazing. Good job. I can see that you are really, really excited to learn. I can see some of you already jot down. You say, sir, today is, I really want to jot down and really want to learn. Okay, very, very good. So we're going to spend our time here to learn this together, yeah? Okay, so far so good, just type there awesome. Yeah? Just type so far so good, just type there awesome, right? In the chat section, let me know. Okay, Anthony say good. Okay, either you type good or awesome. That's good feedback from me, right? So Michael say okay, good. All right, okay. So this is the function of stochastic. Don't worry, guys. Later we're going to combine this idea together. Okay. Now, last but not least here, we are going to learn this special, unique pattern. You will learn to memorize this picture. Yes, you will see a little bit box like this. Okay. Box red means the price continue go down, and green means the price continue go up. If you see a very tiny line like this is called the price. It went as high as this and as low as this. But it's okay, guys. If you are a beginner and newbie, stay cool. Your duty today is not to learn about all the how this price is being made. That one will be a specific course where you learn step by step, one by one. But what I want you all, especially those who zero knowledge, I want you all just to memorize the shape only. Okay, the shape and the color. That's all. Okay, the shape and the color. Okay, so first, this is the candle pattern that I want you to memorize, and this technique is called bullish engulfing. Okay, bullish engulfing means you're gonna have on the left hand side a very small, tiny red box. Okay, red box like this, but on the right hand side you can see this green body. Okay, this green box is go beyond than the red color, so that means the green is stronger than the red. Okay, now if you guys see like green like this, it start to eat up the whole entire red, or it's engulf the entire. The word engulf means the whole entire green body managed to go beyond than the whole shape of the red color. So this is actually what we call the secret pattern on your trading. Okay, so your duty right now is to memorize this. Okay, and I like to give you all the tips. Okay, if you see this shape, we want to see the right location. Okay, right location of this color. The location that we interested to see for the purpose of buy is at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom or at the lower of Bollinger Band. I purposely don't put it here because I want you all to write it down. That is a special tip for you guys. Okay, so you want this special candle to be as near to the lower band. I repeat again, lower band. So that's the tips. Okay, so once you see this unique candle pattern is called bullish engulfing, we are going to prepare to enter buy. There's a 3 ways that you can enter to buy. Number one, once you see this shape completed, you can enter to the position buy immediately. Okay, and then we are going to prepare stop loss below like this. Okay, just in case. Okay, just in case the trade fell, you need to cut loss at the bottom. Okay, now there's a second technique as well that I like to share with all of you. Some trader, after they look at this candle already appear or this shape already appear, they don't enter immediately. But some of them here wait patiently if the price drop a little bit to 50% of the body of this green color. This is where they plan to enter right here. Okay, so this is called the moderate trader. Okay, guys, if you learn something here, just type the aha. Okay, just type the aha. Okay, Jimmy says, sir, how we validate a bullish engulfing? Later I show you guys there's a technique. If you do not know, if you still have problem to memorize this pattern, later on your website, on the free website, the system able to detect bullish engulfing for you guys. Okay, all right, but it's very important if you can remember the shape. Okay, all right, so last but not least, if the price can give you a bit discount right here, some trader is very, very stingy. They like to enter at the most low. Okay. Now, the question is, right now, you don't know what is the market intention. The best one is actually to enter exactly at the aggressive buy. Okay. You are lucky if the price go back to the middle section here, it give you 50%. Now, you're going to be super lucky if the price really go here at low, but sometimes it's very, very seldom happen. Okay, so but at least later on we combine all this chart together. I'm going to show you all how to enter based on these three. Okay, now the first idea, as a beginner, you start first with enter directly if you see the shape is already complete like this. Okay, now for this secret pattern, for first one, I show you guys the buy signal. Now, the next one, potential sell signal. You're going to do the opposite side. We're going to learn about bearish engulfing. Okay, bearish engulfing is very different candle. Now, on the first left here, you will see a very small, tiny green candle here. Okay, all the upper section is actually showing the same space with the second candle. However, look at the red candle here. Ooh, look at that, a spicy red like that. And look at this entire box here. Okay, this entire box successfully managed to go beyond this green candle here. This is where we see this red color managed to wall up or managed to eat up the whole green. This is called engulfing. Now, this technique is suitable, okay, for sell. Now, this for Japanese, okay, for Japanese trader, this is actually a secret pattern for them. Okay, now this technique you can enter when you see this red color here drop here. Then we're going to measure the price. You can enter your position sell. Okay, enter position sells means you want to enter early before the price go down, and that's the reason you press the button sell. And you're going to prepare a stop loss just in case if the price go the opposite side. You need to learn how to cut loss. Okay, now you can enter sell immediately, or you can wait a little bit while. If the price go back a little bit to 50% of this entire red body, you can enter back sell here. Or if you are very stingy enough, you can wait until the price touch almost the near upper section here. Okay, which is very, very conservative, and sometimes it's very, very rare. Okay, but for newbie and zero knowledge student today, some of you say, so well, I do not have any idea what you're talking about. Good, it should be that way, but just write it down first. And those who already a bit experienced in the market, I know you know what I'm talking about. Okay, about bearish engulfing. Okay, now for those who zero knowledge, those who very newbie, you just write it down first. Okay, yes, later on if you interested want to go to the next level, we will uncover all this. Okay, but for your knowledge purpose, just write it down first. It's gonna be make sense later on once you start to kick in on your trading journey. Okay, now you learn first. It is okay, you learn first. Okay, now this is secret pattern for sell signal. Now the tips is, we would like to see this unique pattern happen at the upper band. Okay, the tips is we want to see this candle pattern as near to the upper band. Okay, all right, so there you go. We have all the three recipe. Later on we're gonna go step by step, one by one. We're gonna combine all this together and we start to see things is gonna get more sense. Okay, so all right, so here we go. All right, before I go through that, I think the best thing is we open the chart directly. How many of you excited right now? Just type there ready, because I'm going to open directly the charts right now and show you guys step by step, one by one. Okay, so how many of you ready? We're going to open the charts together from the scratch, from zero, from nothing. Okay, I'm going to show you guys one by one. Step 1, what you need to do. Step 2, what you need to do. Step 3, what you need to do. Step 4, what you need to do. Just start there ready. We are going to learn this together. Okay, now let me drop this on for a while. And what I'm going to do is I am going to open a free website here. Okay, free website is called investing.com. Okay, there's a free website here that you guys can start. Now, if you type investing.com like this, investing.com, there's so many instruments right here that you can start. Okay, now if you are absolutely beginner here, okay, you can start with the Forex market. Okay, now let's begin with the Forex market. Like say for example, if you want to trade, okay, Euro US dollar, okay, you can type here directly, Euro/US dollar. Okay, now as a beginner, you can focus with Euro US dollar first. This is a very, very, very popular Forex currency pair. Okay, so Euro/USD. Okay, now if you type here, they will come out here, Euro USD, right here. Okay, Euro USD. All right, so it will come out something like this. All right, so once it appear like this, Euro US dollar, that means Euro is against the US dollar. And what you're going to do, you scroll down a little bit lower here at the lower section here like this. Okay, and you're gonna go to this simple section here. It's called technical chart. Okay, you are going to click this. Okay, you're going to open this and click technical chart. So once you click technical chart here, it will open up. Okay, it will open up. Now some of you ask me questions and say, sir, this is free, but is it the data is precise enough? Of course, you know, since it's free, there's going to be a little bit delay. A bit only, not that really much, but it's a bit delay, a bit only, but it's free. Okay. Later on, I'm going to show you guys about tradingview.com as a charting software. And I'm also going to open MetaTrader 4. Okay, a popular trading platform for Forex market. Okay, so now this is the Euro US dollar. What we're going to do is we're going to select this. Okay, full screen. Okay, you're going to click this and we're going to make the screen open as big as this. Okay, as big as this. CK say, can do in scalping? Yes. Okay, can watch the Zoom video, keep on stop, doesn't play at all. Okay, all right. Okay, so first step here, now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the time frame here. Step 1. Okay, step 1. Choose 4-hour chart. So you're going to go to this upper section here. Okay, and you're going to select time frame. You're going to select 4-hourly like this. So if I zoom a little bit here, you guys can see here. First, I'm going to select the time frame. Okay, make sure that you choose 4-hour. That is the step number 1. Okay, so far so good. We are going to select 4-hour. Okay, 4H. Okay, that's mean one of the little pieces of tiny price movement is going to take about 4 hours to complete. Okay, so let's go ahead and select 4-hour. Boom. Okay, there you go. We already have a 4-hourly chart of a Euro US dollar. Now, when you look at the chart here, guys, on the top left here, this is telling you guys the instrument that you trade is Euro/US dollar. Okay, now we're just done with this, but we're not done the full story yet. Okay, we're not done with the full story yet. What we're going to do right now is we're going to add in 2 important elements. Okay, that means we are going to add in indicators. Now the question is where to get these indicators in investing.com. You're going to get it right here. Okay, investing.com. You're going to get this logo here, which is indicator. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to click like this. Okay, and you're just going to type the first one here is called Bollinger Band. Here you go. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click Bollinger Band, and boom, there you go. You can see a Bollinger Band. Now remember, right? I remind you all just now. Bollinger Band have 3 levels. Remember that? We have the try to recall back again. We have the how many of you all can recall? We have how many types? We have 3 level. We have I want you all to write it down. We have Anybody like to answer this? Come on, this is a quick quiz for you all. Okay, the moment you add Bollinger Band, something interesting that you guys can see. There's a layer on top of it. It's like so unique and so beautiful. Okay, now Bollinger Band have 3 levels. How many of you can remember? Jen, very good. Good job. There's a upper band. Very good. There is a middle band. Okay, right? And then we have a lower band. Good job, guys. Let me see who answered this. Very good. Elvin, Erin, Faizul, Zahida, Wani. Wow, you all are very, very good students. I love it. You guys pay attention. Good, good, good. Okay. Now, if you want to buy, you're going to focus on lower band. If you want to sell, we're going to focus the upper band. Okay. Now, this is only for Bollinger Band. But guys, we need to add in one more. One more. We are going to add in another one more indicator is called stochastic. So you go ahead there and type stochastic. So S-T-O-C-H. Okay, stochastic. Okay, don't worry, guys. All these notes we were going to give you all later on. After you finish this learning today, towards the end, when you download the notes, I prepare you all this already. Haha, that's a good news for you guys, right? So don't feel like, oh, so I do not know what's the number, this and that. Don't worry, we got you all covered. Okay, so now stochastic, remember, when you add in, how many of you guys can see here? There you go. There's they write down here, stock, right? Stochastic. And if you try to see here, there's a reading. There's a number here reading. Okay, towards the bottom here, you guys can see the number reading is 0, 25, 50, and 100. Okay, there's a level to be read right here. Okay, now remember, what's the number that you all remember just now that I mentioned to you all? So you need to do a little bit adjustment. Okay, we need to have a little bit adjustment. Okay, so any of you can remember the number that we're talking about? So we need to adjust just a little bit, not that much. We just need to adjust a little bit the settings. We are going to use the level 1433. Okay, so you just need to key in the number 3 here. Okay, 1433. That's all. 1433. This is the number 1433. Very, very good. All right, awesome. So there you go. We got a 1433 and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to hunt together. Okay, learn how to trade together. Are you all ready? Okay, let's begin right here with a simple learning. Now, before I go through that, right, before I go through this, I'd like to show you guys as well, if for those who are using another charting software is called TradingView, which is, this is my favorite, really. This is called a TradingView. Okay, so for TradingView, we are going to use, okay, let's check a Euro US dollar. Okay, so TradingView is really my popular charting software. Okay, again, this is only software, is a guide for you all to make a decision. But if you want to position, put in your money or your demo account, buy and sell, you're going to use a trading platform. Shortly, I will share with you guys as well on that one. Okay, now on your trading view, remember you change your time frame here on this section and make sure that you choose 4-hourly chart, which is this one. Okay, make sure that you select 4-hourly charts. Okay, and then click 4-hourlies like this. And then where you want to add indicators, which is here. Okay, all right, so this is the indicator section. It's going to be up here. So when you click this section, when you click indicators, you are going to add in Bollinger Band. Okay, Bollinger Band, you're going to add in that one first, and then you are going to add in stochastic. Okay, so once you click stochastic and search stochastic like this, and the moment you click in, the system will automatically add in Bollinger Band and stochastic for you. Of course, as usual, your duty is to change a little bit of the settings. So this is one simple tiny button here on stochastic that you can adjust. Okay, so go to the setting there and adjust the number 1433. Okay, 1433. All right, 1433. Click OK. All right, so there you go. We have already nice on the trading view. Now, how about MetaTrader 4? Do we have this kind of setups? So the answer is yes, we do have this kind of setup. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, so this is a MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Okay, MetaTrader Trader 4 trading platform. So this is actually where you're going to put your real money, your real position. Actually, you can execute as well directly on your MetaTrader 4. Now, MetaTrader 4 give you the charts. The broker is going to give you chart also something like this. So how you guys going to add in the stochastics and Bollinger Band? So it's quite easy. First of all you need to do is go to the word insert, okay, right here at the top. Okay, so when you click insert like this, okay, they will be setting the arrow indicators what you want. So you just click indicators right there at the top, and you're going to select first is the Bollinger Band. So this is the one that you need. Okay, indicators, you go to the trend, and you go to Bollinger Bands. Okay, Bollinger Bands. Right, so insert, go to indicators. Okay, insert, go to indicators, go to the trend, and go to Bollinger Band. Okay, so once you click this, the Bollinger Band will come out. So any colors that you wish. Okay, so you can change any color that is suitable to your eyes. Okay, so in this case, maybe I like to have aqua color. Okay, so we're just going to use the standard one. Yeah, it's just a standard one. Don't change anything. 22 is always the standard one. Don't change anything, yeah, guys. This is standard Bollinger Band. Okay, so what you do, you click OK, and boom, there you go. You have a nice Bollinger Band right now on your MetaTrader 4. Now, what you're going to do, repeat the same process. We're going to insert the stochastic, insert indicators, oscillators, and we're going to use stochastic oscillators. Okay, now I repeat again. You go to insert. Okay, sorry, you're gonna go to insert, right this, insert indicators. You're gonna search oscillators. Okay, oscillators, and you add in stochastic oscillators. Yep, there you go. Okay, so you click that one, and remember, you gotta change the number. Okay, change the number. 3, 3, and 14. Okay, 3, 3, and 14. Okay, 3, 3, and 14. Right? So 3, 3, and 14. Okay, so this is the number that you need to key in, 14, 3, 3. All right, 14, 3, 3. Now, some of you, if you prefer to use exponential, you can do it. It's not much different, not very much different as I know. Okay, so if you want to use simple, it's okay. Now, normally they give you all the standard only. So all you need to do is just make sure that you know the number here is slowing is 14 and the number here is 3 and 3. Okay, all right, so click OK, and there you go. Sorry, not this one, right? Okay, hold on. Okay, give me a moment. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with this website here again, one more time, right here. Okay, Lang, Smooth K, Smooth D, 1433 here. Okay, let's begin with the lesson here. I want to use the trading view directly. Okay, you all ready? You all ready? Let's begin right here with the first learning. So let's try to check whether we have all these three elements that we are going to talk about. Okay, so let's begin with this first idea. I'm going to bring you guys and show you this example. Okay, you already just studied ready if you all are ready. Okay, so now this is example of the price movement. Okay, I want you all to pay attention here. This is the price movement here. Okay, this is the price movement here. All right, so you guys can see. Now, first step here is look at the price, how it move. You will see red, 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 green, green, red, 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 right? Red, red, right? Now, the most important idea is look, did the price start to dancing at lower Bollinger Band? Okay, so step one, did you see that these small little boxes here, the price green and red here, dancing at the lower band? Okay, dancing means at least the price touch few times, either one or two times, testing the low band. Okay, all right, testing, at least it touch like 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let it dance around that level. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, something like this, 1, 2. Okay, can you all see this? Okay, it dancing, right? So when the price is touching and testing the lower band, so it's good enough already to show us that the price is already going to the area that is considered cheap enough. Cheap enough, okay? Now, we are going to use stochastic. Now we're going to read the stochastic level together. Can you all see this here? Okay, stochastic. Look at this level here. The level of stochastic slowly go below level 20. Okay, look at that. It go below level 20. So guys, remember, if the stochastic reading go below 20, what does it mean? Can anybody remember? If the stochastic reading go below 20 first and then start to go back up like this, okay? Now this level here is already shaded for you guys, right? This is the level of 20 actually. So if you guys see there's a block like this is technically level 20 and 80. So this is the good thing about the trading view, is already give you all the level already. Okay, now if you are using the investing.com, it's the same thing as well. It's already give you the area. Okay, so if you go below, then this shaded area is 20 and above here is 80. So let me see here. Very good. Okay, so you say that there's potential to buy. Okay, potential to buy. Okay, so that means right now you already have a few clues here. First, the price is dancing and testing the lower band, which is very nice. Second, you check, did this stochastic already enter and go below than 20? If go below than 20, boom, it's good. That means it's considered cheap enough. Now we need the final important element, if you all can remember. The final important element that you need is this secret pattern. You are hunting this pattern. Small little red and nice little green. It's called bullish engulfing. Now let us have a look together how it works. Okay, so click play a little bit here. Okay, let's click play a little bit here. All right, okay, all right, look at that. There's a red down there. Okay, okay, now let's have a look here, guys. Let's have a look here. Whoa, we have nice red and nice green. Guys, just type the boom if you know what I'm talking about. What candle is this, my friend? One small little red like this. Okay, I'm just going to shade this. Okay, I'm just going to mark this one. Yes. Haha. Okay. So can anybody tell me? Yes, this is the secret pattern that you wait the most. Yes, bullish engulfing. Okay, now when you see this pattern appear, stand by. This is a standby for you guys to what? To prepare to buy or sell. To prepare to buy or sell. Yes, prepare to buy. So that's mean you can enter somewhere around here. Okay, you can enter buy around here. Okay, right? So you can enter buy here, and then you're going to prepare your stop loss below. Okay, now your stop loss can be 40 pips down below. Okay, so don't worry about the how many pips or what. Later I'll show you guys as well another methods that you guys can use. Okay, now what I want you all to see right now is the potential of trading using this. Okay, so now if you guys see here, if you guys realize that this bullish engulfing have a like a tail. Okay, if you guys can see it, like this bullish engulfing have a tail, right? So if we see this tail here, okay, like if I try to mark this level here, yes, there's a little tiny tails, right? That is the last lowest of the price. Now this is the area that you're going to plan for your stop loss. Okay, now again, if the trade fell, you need to cut loss. Okay, it's very important, guys. Is it important to cut loss if the trading fell? Remember, you only can do forecast, but if it is fell, you need to know how to cut loss. Okay, so if you buy here, this is going to be your cut loss. All right, this is going to be your cut loss. So we're going to do a bit measurement here. How many pips from your entry to the cut loss here? Roughly about 40 pips. Okay, newbie, don't worry. You will learn what does it mean by 40 pips. Okay, so now we're talking about the risk is 40 pips. Okay, risk is 40 pips. Now, this is the part I want you to all pay attention. Okay, pay attention. You're excited to see the signal here, but most of the traders they're too excited to see the signal until they simply press the button. Now, it is very important for trader to manage your money. So what I'm going to show you right now is risk management. Now let's go to this file here. Oh, I prepare you guys something really, really cool. Okay, now assume that you are doing single trade. Okay, assume that you're doing single trade. Now your capital, you start with $1,000. Okay, now guys, listen this carefully. If you are a newbie trader, okay, newbie trader, remember your risk quota. Okay, you have a risk budget. Okay, yes, definitely there will be a risk budget for you guys. Usually the practice is don't go more than 3%. Can you all type there at the chat section? Don't risk more than 3% of your entire capital. So that means if you put the number here 3, that means at this position, you cannot lose more than $30. Okay, but remember, this is the budget that you're willing to risk. Okay, don't be stingy about it. It's called trading. Sure, you will lose this money if the trade goes wrong, but it's within your budget. Okay, so don't risk more than 3% from your entire position and from your entire capital. Okay, now this is $30. Okay, now assume that you're trading euro US dollar. So you see, if you're trading euro US dollar, you just select. Okay, now we prepare this Excel file. Can you see that is cool? If you're trading GBP US dollar, you select. So if you're trading euro US dollar, you just click euro US dollar. Ooh, how many of you want this Excel file? This Excel file is really, really going to help you guys. Okay, now, first of all, how many of you remember what is the risk that we're willing to take here? What is the risk that we're willing to take just now? Okay, the risk that we're willing to take roughly about 40 pips. Okay, assume it's about 40 pips. Okay, so you're gonna go and key in here 40 pips. Okay, you're gonna key in right here. What is the stop loss that we plan to do here? Okay, 40 pips. Okay, that's the risk. Now, the moment you key in 40 pips risk, this calculator automatically tell you what is the suggestion lot size that you allow to open so that you will not go beyond than $30 budget risk. Ha! How many of you think that, wow, this Excel file is so cool? It saves you a lot of your time doing the calculation. So right now, you know, if your budget is only like, don't lose more than $30, your stop loss is 40 pips, boom, automatically, this is the number that you need to key in, 0.08. So that means if you open your trading platform, you wish to buy euro US dollar, this is the lot size that you need to key in. And then what you do, my friend, you are going to put 0.08. See how important is money management? How many of you agree with me? So you only allowed to key in 0.08. A lot of newbie problem is what? They key in sometime beyond their budget. They key in one big lot size. Some of them put, wow, 0.50. No. Trade as small and follow your risk management. Okay? Now, if you okay, then click the button buy if that is for you guys, right? Then you set your stop loss. Okay, then you set your stop loss. Okay, guys, I need to adjust a little bit here for this stochastic. Give me a moment. It's supposed to be read 1433, yeah? Okay, 1433. Okay, sorry. Give me a moment. Yep, so I need to adjust a little bit the stochastic reading. This one is supposed to be this one. Okay, so the proper stochastic reading is 1433, yeah? Sorry, 1433, like this, okay? For your stochastic at your MT4, okay? Then this should be the correct one, 1433, okay? All right, so there you go, we got it already. Now, 0.08, the question is, if you key in 0.08, the question is, how much it will impact loss right here? Roughly $30. See, the system is already help you to roughly do the calculation. Okay, right now we're going to talk about your potential take profit. Okay, now one of the simple idea that remember we say that you can do is to take profit. Remember the technique we're talking about Bollinger Band? If you buy at the lower band, the simplest way that you can take your profit if the price touch the upper band. Okay, means the price slowly travel to upper band. That is the simplest way. Okay. CK say, how about we already have the other tradings? So CK, later I'll show you how. Okay, so let's begin right here. Right now, let's talk about this. Okay, so you already enter buy right here. Okay. Okay. All right, so you enter basically buy around here. Okay, and then you want to take your profit. Okay, one of the simplest way. Okay, one of the simplest way is double from the risk. Normally people will do like this. If your risk is 40 pips, the best or the simplest way, okay, for you to do a target is you double from your risk. So that's mean if you have 40% risk, you want the risk ratio to be what? 1 to 2. So that's mean if you want to have a nice reward, usually 1 to 2. So that's mean if your target risk is 40 pips, you want 80 pips to be what? Your potential reward. That is usually the simple practice. Okay. But another simple practice is like if you see money, you can take money already. Okay. Means if the price touch the upper band, you can secure your profit as well. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Now there's a two ways here. One, you can use the risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. So the number that you enter, you can use level of 80 pips. Like roughly we measure here, this is going to be the 80 pip level. Okay, so if the price touch here, you want to exit your trade, okay, with profit. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, this is not the what do you call this one, a usual risk to reward ratio if you want to implement in such a way. Okay, so let me show you guys again. Okay, um, um, okay, so general is risk 1 and reward is 2. Okay, now say for example if you want to maintain with this, okay, there's a two ways that you can take profit. You can take profit once touch the upper band, or you can follow the the 80 pips. Now the question is, it's not about the profit that it's going to make. I want you all to pay attention is watch out if the price fell. That is more important. Yes, trading can fail. So if the price go below than this, you need to cut loss. Okay, you need to cut loss. Okay, so now let's begin right here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What is happening to the price right now? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see the price development for a while. Let's see. Okay, so this is the movement of the price right now. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Whop, there you go. Okay, so I'm going to stop it for a while. Whoa, look at that here. Okay, now just type day boom if those who can see what I'm seeing right now. In this case, very interesting. You buy here, the price touched the upper band, you already gain your first 29 to 30 pips right here. Okay, the question is, does it move? Question is move, right? So it does move. All right. Now your question is like, oh, what should I do? Okay, should I maintain to my level of 80 pip as my target profit? Well, you can do that. It's nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong with that. So now we want to see whether the price can hit 80 pips or not in this case. Okay, let's see. Okay. So remember, you do your best. Let Mr. Market do the rest. Okay. All right. So here we go. Before we talk about the other side first. Okay. Now let's have a look how far this price travel already. Okay. Let's look at how far the price travel already. 67 pips. Okay. Now assume that around 60 pip already. The price is already hitting 60 pips. And here you already gained $45. With the price already 60 pip and gain $45. Let me ask you a question. Okay. Yes. For me to take profit. Okay. Is it nice? All right. Awesome. Right. So that is a simple technique, right? Not necessarily if the price can hit really 80 pips, then this is good. But if the price is go already like 1 to 5, one is not like 1 to 2 ratio, but it's at least like 1 to 1.5 ratio. I think that's good enough already. Okay, that's mean like your risk is 1, your reward is 1.5. It's still considered a good trade, my friend. Guys, if this considered a good trade, just type there boom on the chat section, my friend. Just type there boom. There you go. You have your first technique already here successfully implement for you guys. Okay, and now let's see here how far it went. Okay, let's see here. So as long that it does not what? It does not touch your stop. Look at that. Okay, now here we are. If you putting 80 pips, this is your original target. There you go. Boom! Just type the boom, guys. If you guys can see here, 80 pips. There you go. It touched 80 pips. So you buy from here and you exit right there. Yo, look at that. It's simple. All right, it's simple and it's quite easy to implement. Now, if you gain about 80 pips here, is that awesome or not for you guys? Right? 80 pips. So that's mean here you managed to grow already your account. Right now you already have what? 1060. It's already growing. And again, please, after you open the position, manage again your risk properly. All right? Risk, you manage again your risk. So it's always about having a good strategy, but good risk management. If your account is growing as well, same thing. Risk, manage your risk properly. Now, how many of you have an aha moment here? Just type a aha. Oh, it's like this. How many of you have like aha? That's like boom, like that. Wow. Now I learned something that I need to trade very small and risk small. Yeah, should be the way, guys. Learn to what? Grow your account small, slowly. It is okay, guys. You don't need to be rich quickly, but you want to grow what? You want to grow consistently, step by step, one by one. Then you adjust your account. Now, CK have a question just now. What if you have a multiple trade? Okay, easy. So if you're not doing a single trade, you can use the next column here, my friend, which is your multiple trade. Okay, now if you click multiple trade here, okay, assume that you start with capital $1,000, okay, and then you have a risk quota of 3%. Okay, now you can say, for example, the CK question is like, what if I trade more than how many pairs? Okay, so like say for example, you're trading 3 pairs. Okay, so here you can adjust. You can adjust. You can select how many pairs that you're trading. Okay, like say for example, in this case, you're not trading a lot. Maybe you only trade 3 pairs or 4 pairs. Okay, this Excel file. Oh, stay tuned, guys. Towards the end, this is my special gift for you all. This is our gift to you all. So make sure that you stay tuned towards the end if you want to get this Excel file. It's our special gift to all of you. Okay, it's worth $99. Okay, and it's gonna be a free gift for you all. Now, CK, I have a question. If you have a 2 trade, Euro US dollar and GBP US dollar, the question is how you want to divide. Okay, equally. So, say for example here, you know each of the currency pair, you know already the stop loss. Like say for example, Euro US dollar, you already measure on your chart, you know it's 50 pips stop loss. If you trade GBP US dollar, it's 80 pips. So here you are. You can adjust your lot size. Okay, so you can adjust your lot size. Like say for example, if you put 0.05, okay, can you see this? There's a projected risk here. Okay, remember your risk budget is $30. The moment you key in, this projected risk will tell, hey, it's $41. You exceeded. You already beyond than your budget. How do we know you're beyond than your budget? Look at the balance here. There is a bracket here. The moment you see a bracket means you already over than your budget. So please adjust your Euro US dollar. Maybe you put 0.03. So here we go. Can you see, right? You just extra beyond a bit like $1. So this one you can take it easy if you want. Extra bit $1 is still fine. But if you want to be precise, like you say, okay, I want to make sure that everything is below then $30. Then you can play around. So you see, you can adjust your lot size here. Guys, is that cool or not? Okay. Is that cool or not, right? So 0.02, 0.02. So this is the proper lot size if you have a 2 position size. Okay. So you have a 2 currency pair that open at the same time. So remember, if you have 2 or 3, you have to divide it equally so that you are not more than your risk budget. Now, how many of you think that, wow, this is a simple money management is going to help you guys? All right. So, yeah, I'm going to show you guys later on how to do this. And I'll tell you guys one more thing here. Those you see here, there's another one is called price generator. Okay, price generator. This is so cool. Okay, like if you using this Excel file here, like say for example, you are buy euro US dollar. Okay, you enter euro US dollar. Say for example, this price you enter at the price of 1.15256, or like in this case just now. Remember, when you enter buy just now here. Okay, if you look here, you enter buy. The number that you enter here is 1.702. Okay, 1.1702. Okay, this is your entry buy. You can key in right here 1.1702 as your entry price. Some of you want to key in early on your trading platform, but some of you do not know what is the exact price that you want to key in for your stop loss and take profit. So like say for example, your stop loss here is 50 pips. You just key in 50 pips and you just key in your take profit 80 pips here. Automatically, this Excel file will calculate what is the number that you need to key in order for you to exit your stop loss. So the correct number that you need to key in for your stop loss is 1.1652. And if you want to take profit, is 1.1782. Wow. How many of you love to have this? Okay, because some of you are using your mobile phone to trade. Because some of you need to key in this number in order for you to secure your take profit level and also stop loss level. So don't worry guys, we got you covered here. All you need to do is just make sure that you enter your entry price, what is the stop loss that you want, and what is the target profit that you want. It will automatically tell you what is the correct number that you should key in on your trading platform. Okay, especially those who are using mobile phone. So, oh, you guys gonna love this, and this is going to be our special gift to all of you today. Why? Why we do this? Because we are so happy that you guys can grow. If this can help you to improve, why not? We give you all the blessing, guys. Regardless, you learn directly with me, okay, or you not learn directly with me. I always wish each and every of you the best so that you can become successful in on your trade. Okay, so there you go. The first example right here that we have. Wonderful. Wonderful example right here. Boom. Beautiful. This is awesome. Look at that, right? 80 pips. Okay. Now, I want to share with you all another one more cool tips. Okay. I want to share with you another cool tips here. Okay. I think this is really, really worth for you guys to learn this technique. I'd like to show you guys one more skills. Okay. And this tool is going to be really, really awesome. Okay, really, really gonna be awesome. Okay, so now the first thing is like I want to show you here is Fibonacci retracement. Okay, it is okay you do not know what is the function or what. Okay, how does it work? But I want to show you guys, right, the usage of Fibonacci retracement can be so cool that you can decide directly your stop loss and take profit level. How many of you want to learn this? How many of you want to learn this? Just like me. I want to show you guys, right? You can use this tool here, and it's so cool that you can decide directly where is the level that you want to cut loss and where is the area that you can take profit. How many of you interested want to learn? I give you extra one more tools right here that you can learn. Just like me. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look at that. Oh, you guys are amazing. Okay, this name so Changi, right? Is okay, right? The name is so Changi. Never mind, right? The only thing is actually you need to find out where to find this. Okay, now before we talk about Fibonacci retracement, I'm going to talk about the level that we're going to add in extra. Okay, we're going to add in extra number of the Fibonacci retracement. We're going to add in negative 0.230. Okay, as your stop loss level. But if you want to take profit, we're going to use this number. 161.8 level is going to be your target profit, and 261.8 level is going to be your take profit number 2. So TP means take profit 1, TP2 means take profit number 2. You can take profit in any of these two levels. Guys, for those who still newbie, don't worry what about this number 161.8. It's basically just a projection number. Okay, it doesn't matter, but later on, once the price touch that area, that's the area that you want to secure your profit. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one example here. So let's start right here. Wow, I'm going to show you guys, right? Now, if you want to do a correct Fibonacci retracement, like say, for example, you see a bullish engulfing like this, the correct idea is you need to drag your Fibonacci ratio from the upper section of the engulfing and drag it to the bottom. Okay, then you will get the correct Fibo level. For selling purposes, you're going to use from down here and drag it to the top like this. Okay, then it will automatically project you guys, right? For you guys. So I'm going to show you guys right now example of bullish engulfing, which is we're going to use the Fibonacci from the top level here and drag it to the bottom. Okay, so let's learn together, my friend. Okay, so let's bring back a memory lane right here. Let's assume back it starts from the beginning. Okay, it starts from the beginning. So I'm just going to remove all this. Okay, assume that you guys see right now. This is bullish engulfing. Look at that, beautiful, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in Fibonacci retracement. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. On the trading view, is called here Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to drag from the top, okay, to the bottom, okay, of this section here. Okay, something like this. Okay, if you want to extend a little bit, you can do that. All right, so the most important part is this is the engulfing candle. Okay, candle 1 and candle 2. You're going to start from here at the top to the bottom. Okay, now what we're going to do once we get this level, can you see that this Fibonacci retracement already show you a few levels already? It's so cool. It's so easy. Okay, however, we're going to adjust a little bit this Fibonacci retracement. So we're going to double click this. We are going to add in a little bit number here. Okay, so let's select one number here. We're going to add in negative, okay, 0.236. Okay, 0.236. Okay, why we want to do that? Because this level right here can become your stop loss. Okay, negative 0.236 here. This area is where you're going to cut loss. Is that cool or not, my friend? Okay, stop loss. Now, in your MetaTrader 4, okay, MetaTrader 4 trading platform, you can do that exactly the same. Okay, you can do that. Okay, give you an example. Okay, okay. So say for example like this, right? So if say for example this is the bullish engulfing. Okay, bullish engulfing. So you're going to drag here the Fibonacci retracement here at the top. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to drag this Fibonacci retracement. You are going to drag it from this section to this section. Okay. So remember, touch the most upper side to the lower side. So this candle number 1, this candle number 2, bullish engulfing. Okay. Now with this case here, you guys will see that it's automatically projected where is the area that you can stop loss. So isn't that cool or not, my friend? Okay. Yes, the system, the Fibonacci ratio will tell you directly, oh, where is going to be area for your stop loss? Oh, we're going to take your profit. Oh, we're going to secure your next second profit. How many guys think that this is so cool? Yeah, Fibonacci retracement you can set up like this. Okay, so if you click this Fibonacci retracement, something like this, once I double click, okay, give me a moment. I'm going to right click this Fibonacci retracement in the system. Okay, Fibo properties, I just right click. Now, what you guys see here is I already add in a little bit, okay, the number of 0.236 here. Okay, so make sure that you add in additional number here. Okay, I zoom in a little bit here. Make sure that you add in first this 0.23. And the cool thing about your MetaTrader 4, you can write down the name. You can put directly there stop loss. So you can key in right there. Okay, now the level also that we're going to use is this one. Yes, you want this level of 1.618 and 2.618 as your TP1 and TP2. So you can key in the description directly. Once you key in the description at the Fibonacci retracement, wow, it's already set up right there for you guys. So you don't get panicked. So you know where to cut loss. So if the price go below here, you can cut loss. If the price go up here, it hit. Now in this case here, this is amazing trade here with a bullish engulfing. Look here. Wow, look at that. Look, for the first First step, remember, the price dropped and at least got 1 or 2 candle dancing at the lower band. So we have candle 1, candle 2, all go lower or at least touch the lower band. Next thing you see, stochastic is, wow, below than 20. Nice. Third step, look whether you can see bullish engulfing. Candle 1, candle 2. These two candle combined, we have bullish engulfing. Boom. Nice. You're going to enter right here, buy, and you're going to put stop loss right here. Okay? And if it is touch your TP1, you can secure your profit. If the price can go above than that, you can take another second profit. Okay? So it's a simple way. In this case here, the price successfully hit your first TP. It gives you a 36 pip right here. Just nice. Now you can decide to secure everything. It's purely up to you all. Okay, but this is another good trade right here. Okay, awesome trade. Beautiful. Okay, now another one here. We guys see another bullish engulfing here. Beautiful. Can you see this? Bullish engulfing. Look, step one, price go down, dancing at lower band, dancing 1 time, dancing 2 time. Aha. So first step, did the price dancing at the lower band? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Very good. Next, stochastic. Did the stochastic is dancing below the region 20? Yes. Last but not least, did you see bullish engulfing? Oh, oh, beautiful. Yes, there is a bullish engulfing here. So what you do? What do? You take this Fibonacci retracement here. You're going to drag it from the top. Okay, from the top of bullish engulfing and to the lowest tail like this. And automatically, Fibonacci will project you where is your stop loss, where's your TP1, and where is your TP2. Oh, look at that, my friend. Both TP is already hit nicely. Guys, is this awesome knowledge or not for you all? Just type there, aha. Yes, there you go. TP1 and TP2. Beautiful. Okay. Donald Logikim say, put percent dollar to show price in Fibo. Yes, you can. That's another tip here. Yes, you can do that, right? If you right click your mouse here, okay, at the Fibo level, you actually can put exactly, the price that you want to exit. Like in this case here, okay, just right click the Fibo first. Oops, sorry. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so hold on. I go to indicator. Sorry, go to here. Okay, hold on. Give me a moment. I'm gonna show you guys first these Fibo properties. Oops. Okay, Fibo properties. Now, like what Donald says, absolutely okay. You can use percent dollar here. You can put this symbol. Okay, percent dollar. Okay, percent dollar. Okay, percent dollar. So this is the symbol that they normally use in Fibo level in order for you to project exactly the price level. Okay, so you can put percent dollar in the description. Okay, percent and then dollar. Okay, and then you can put stop loss as well, percent and the dollar. Okay, there you go. So when you put the percent dollar on your Fibo level, they will tell you exactly what is your stop loss number that you can key in. You can key in also exactly your number for your take profit, and you can key in as well the number for your TP2. So by adding the symbol percent and dollar on your Fibonacci tools, you can exactly know what is the number that you want to key in for your TP level. So that is another tips for you guys. All right. So yep, that is absolutely correct, Donald. You can do that. Wow, that's awesome. So this example for buy. Okay. Now what we're going to do right now, we're going to study for sell. Okay. So up to this point right now, guys, so far so good to the buy section. Awesome. You guys are amazing. Okay. Yeah, this is your first step right here, learning. Okay, now we're going to learn together about potential for sale. Okay, so we're going to learn this together. Okay, we're going to learn this together. All right. Now, First step here, we're going to bring some of this to this section like this. Okay, all right. Okay, so there you go. We have Bollinger Band here, lower band and upper band. Okay, let's see here first. Okay, let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. Now the price is already went up to the Bollinger Band, and you want to see how many times the price dancing at the upper band. Okay, so look here, price dancing one time. Let's zoom a little bit. Okay, let's do for sell one. Okay, so one time it touched, two time it touched, three time it touched, four time. Oh, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean let it test first. Let it test the upper band first. Okay, the price must have this kind of dancing and criteria. Okay, so this is the first step we done. We see, okay, price at least already test few times. Second, let's have a look on the stochastic. While it dance, look at the stochastic, guys. Did this stochastic go above 80? Yes or no? Does the price right now is already go above 80? Okay, now the price go above 80. Okay, sorry, the oscillator. We're talking about stochastic oscillator. Okay, stochastic oscillator. Can you guys see? It's go beyond than the 80. All right. So now it's go beyond than 80. The last part right now that we are hunting is the last final piece that we need to get is this candle, my friend. What candle we want to hunt right now? Yes, we want to hunt this bearish engulfing. We want to see nice green candle. Candle number 1 must have a nice green color, and candle number 2 must have a nice red, which is this red here is much be lower than the candle number 1. So this is called bearish engulfing. Now, this is the final part that we need to hunt right now. Okay, so let's the hunting begin. Now, all the criteria is already met. Is now only waiting game. Okay, we're waiting game. So now you need to practice your eyes to see whether you can see a nice green and nice red come together. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, there you go. Ah. Guys, tell me, what candle is this? Yeah, look at that. Okay. Look, 1 and 2. Look at this body. This red color here is below than 1. Yep, there you go. Okay, we have a bearish engulfing. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, now we are going to perform sell here. So you can perform sell here. Okay, and you can cut loss above here, stop loss. Okay, now you can use Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci ratio as well for your stop loss and take profit. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do that for bearish engulfing. If for bearish engulfing, you're going to perform the Fibonacci retracement from down to high, okay, down to up, okay, for selling purposes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this section here. We're going to take the Fibonacci retracement. We are going to use this, we're going to use Fibonacci retracement, and we're going to bring it from the bottom here. So you want to see between this candle 1 and 2, which one is the lowest tail that you can see. In this case, this is the lowest tail, okay? Then you drag it right there to the top, okay? To the top, okay? All right, something like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so since I don't want to confuse you guys with this color, I'm just going to change it into yellow. Okay, now we have already have a bearish engulfing here. Level 0.236 can become your stop loss level. Okay, stop loss level, and then your TP1 is 161.8 and 261.8. So if I label this, this can become your TP1, and then this can become your TP2. Okay, take profit. Yeah, TP means take profit. You can secure your profit right there. Okay, and at negative 0.236, that area can become your stop loss level. Okay, all right. So you can decide using that one. All right. So now let's have a look here. Okay, let's learn together. Let's have a look, my friend. Okay, so let's see whether the price can hit our target. Guys, again, if it is fail, you must cut loss. All right, so let's see here. Okay, Price go up and boom, there you go. The first test right here. The price immediately touch at the TP1 first before it go up. So that means TP1 successfully hit, right? So if successfully hit, guys, can you just type there, boom? Yes, just type there, boom. There you go. Your first 30 pips here. Nice profit that you're going to make. Okay. 30 pips right here. Boom. Okay. Nice 30 pips. All right. So let's see how far again it's going to go. Okay. At least the first TP1 is just nice that you can secure, your profit, right? So the question is, we want to see whether the price can hit our TP number 2. Okay. Take profit number 2. Okay. So let's see. You can hit, why not? If not, then this is going to be the best TP1 for your target, right? So let's see here. There you go. Look at that, my friend. Look at that. This is beautiful. Look at that, my friend. So this is TP1, hit 30 pips, and this is TP2, my friend. It just hit nicely. So how many pips is that they're going to give us? A juice here. Bam! Guys, just type there, boom. This is a 72 pips. Nice profit right there. Boom. Wow, there you go. It's a nice example for sale, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So this is a very, very awesome style. You can use the TP1 and TP2. Okay. Again, as usual, before you all do this, remember, always take good care of your money management. Okay. Even though all the criteria is met, don't be too excited. Don't bet too big. Remember, take good care of your money management. So this is considered a very successful trade. This is cool, guys. You sell and then the price drop down here. It's beautiful. Okay. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see another few more example that we can learn together as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see whether we can see another engulfing. Okay, so yeah, I saw one. It's like okay, not too bad. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now let's see here. The price went up to the upper band. Remember, it must test first. Okay, it must touch the upper band. That's the rule number one. If the price does not test the upper band, it's not going to be so cool. Okay, so in this case here, we want to see how many times that the price testing the upper band. Okay, look here, it dancing 1 time, it dancing 2 times, 3 times. Is that beautiful? Yeah, so at least it must have a test first. Okay, it dance first. It must go above, or it just touch nicely. So at least must got 1, 2, 3 tests. Okay. Cookwise said, this work in all Forex pair? Yep. Not only Forex pair. You can try even in crypto. You can try in stock market. You can try in gold. Yes, you can try these skills, guys. All right. So look, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Now, I want you all to recall back. After you see the test, what is the second step? After you see the price testing the upper band, what will be the second step? Can anybody tell me? This is a quick quiz for you guys. The second step is you need to see one thing at the stochastic. Can anybody tell me? Come on, guys. What you need to see at the stochastic? All right, come on, guys. Try to call back. Check back your notes. Yes, it's dancing already at the upper band. Fine. Okay, once you dance upper band, you need to check something right here. Yeah, stochastic. So what number do we need to check? Okay, very good. Check a stochastic. And what is the number, my friend? What's the number? Must go beyond, above what? Above what? Very good from us. Yes, must be above 80. In this case, the stochastic already above 80. So that means it tell you guys, stand by. Stand by. Okay. Last but not least, the third step. What you all waiting for right now? The final step right now. What will be the final step for you guys? So first step, you see the price testing the upper band. Okay, fine. Second step, okay, nice. Stochastic is above 80. Fine. Last step, guys. Come on. What's the last step? Final step right now. Hunt for what? Secret pattern. Come on, guys. What is that? Okay. Yes, very good, Daniel. You are going to search for bearish engulfing. And look at that. Candle 1 and candle 2. Look, this body here is lower than this. There you go. This is bearish engulfing. Okay, this is bearish engulfing. So can you trade this? The answer is yes. So you can use a Fibonacci ratio. Okay, you can mark from the lowest to the upper tail like this. Okay, lower tail to the upper tail. Okay, lower tail to the upper hair. Okay, lower shadow to upper shadow, we call it. And then you're going to set up where your stop loss. Okay, so your stop loss is going to be 0.2 negative 0.236 is going to be your stop loss area. Okay, you can use this technique. Okay, stop loss area. Your TP1 can be 161.8. Okay, TP1 and 2.618 can become your TP2. Okay, TP2 like this. Right? So there you go. You do your best. Let Mr. Market do the rest. Okay, you do your best. Let Mr. Market do the rest. Okay. Now again, if the price fell, it go to this level here. You have to cut loss. If the price go here, it's up to you. You can secure your profit. If the price go again to this level here, you can secure your profit. Now, will the price must hit TP2? It depends. Nobody know. Let Mr. Market decide. Okay? Let Mr. Market decide. You only can do early forecasting. That's all. The rest, let the market decide. Now, let's have a look here in this case. TP1. See where they can at least touch our TP1 first. Okay? Take profit level number 1. Okay, let's see. So the price go down a bit. Now it went up a little bit and boom! Guys, just type there, boom. Look at that, right? So it sell here. It dropped to the first TP1. You already secure, guys. Your first 43 pips. First 43 pips. Okay, first 43 pips. Okay, so that means if, say for example, if your account is big, like say for example, your money management, I mean like your budget is big, like you have $5,000 and you have a 3% budget risk. Okay, and then you like to trade because okay, let's check here. What is your risk here from your entry? Okay, if you trade here, your risk to this level is roughly about 55 pips. Okay, now 55 pip is your risk. Okay, and right now in your hand, you already secure about roughly 45 pip, means $122 already in your hand. Okay, now the question is right now, you already in profit rather than in the risk side already. Now in your hand, you have 45 pips, which is in your hand right now. Say for example, if you have $5,000, you risk 3%. That means you don't want it to go more than 150 pips. You put sell 0.27 lot. This is the lot size that you trade. Okay, that means this is the lot size that you press here on your trading platform. 0.27. You press this button here, lot size 0.27, and then you press sell. Now, my question to you all, instead of the price right now, go to your stop loss. Price is advancing directly to your TP1. Now, you already in profit, but let me ask you first question right now. If the price is already give you first TP1, is it okay for you guys to take your profit? $122 here? Yeah, CK says, so we have to change the total capital when we make profit? Yes. Yeah, you have to add on later on. Yep. Okay. So now my question is, you already hit your TP1. Now in your hand, you already have profit. Now you decided like you want to take everything. Is that okay? Okay. Nothing wrong with that. You see money, you can take because you no longer in the risk side. You already in a profit, my friend. So if you touch your TP1, you can secure. It's up to you guys. See money, you take money, my friend. You can. Okay. Nobody say you cannot. Right now. How about some of you say, oh, what if the price really can go to TP2? That's always the thing. Once you want more, oh, you start to feel greedy. You want to get more. Now, the only way that you can control this is up to you guys. You can decide maybe not to exit everything, but exit in stages. So maybe you can take a small profit here at TP1. And if the price go to the TP2 here, you can exit everything. Okay. However, if the price doesn't go to your way here, you can actually either break even, means if the price go back to your entry level here, then you can decide to abandon the trade already, okay, with a minimal risk, okay, because this is the place that you entry for your sell, okay. So now in this case here, okay, those who want to take TP1, fine, you can take your profit already here. Okay, now let's have a look how far this price gonna go. Okay, all right. So let's see. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Uh-huh. Okay. Now look here. Look. Okay. This is how we see whether the price is already have a weakness. Okay. Now, first of all, if you look here, this is the level that you enter, right? Entry price. The moment you enter, the price right after that touch this TP1. But after that, the price didn't go to TP2, take profit level 2. Instead, it coming back again to your entry level here. Now, this is the time that you can decide to exit everything or abandon the trade, okay, with zero risk, because you don't need to wait until you touch your stop loss here, okay? You can exit the trade right here. Remember, in trading, it is very important for you all to protect your capital, okay? Protect your capital is another skills, okay? So protect your capital, okay? So you may not have any risk here. You can abandon the trade. Instead of the price straight away go to your stop loss, the moment the price just coming back again to the same level with your entry, you can just exit everything first. Why? Because you want to what? You want to secure your you want to protect your capital. Okay, right? So far so good. Now TP1 still didn't touch the lower band. Yeah, in this case, the price didn't touch the lower band, means the market doesn't go to your way. Okay, if the market doesn't go to your way, what does it mean? You may need to abandon the trade. Okay, now the question is, if you still want to fix, okay, there's a two scenario here. Some of you say that I really want to wait until the price is going to touch the lower band. Can I do that? The answer is yes. So Zul, okay, Zul, if you say that I want to wait until the price really touch the lower band, then I exit. Fine. Like in this case here, did you see the price touch the lower band here, Zul? Okay, it touched the lower band. All right, so it touched the lower band. Yes, you can exit now. Can you all see it here? Okay, it touched the lower band. Okay, it does touch the lower band. Okay, now some of you, you want to stick with your plan. You really said that I don't care. I really want to make sure that it's really gonna hit my TP2. Okay, then that's mean you let the Mr. Market decide. Okay, one thing that I want to show you guys here is there will be time that the price might move to your direction, but there will be time that the market may not move to your direction. So you have to choose. You have to think. There will be time that there's a time for you to protect your capital. There will be time that you need to secure your profit. So usually when this method right here, okay, you need to see, all right, if the price like staying too long right here already on this side, and you find out like the price is like not gonna go anywhere. Okay, usually this technique is the best one. Is the moment the price touch here, is usually the price is gonna just slide down until TP2. That's the best. Okay, but in this case right here, it dropped to TP1. It coming back again here. It dents again at TP1, but it doesn't drop directly. Instead, it coming back again, going up like this. So this is to show that the buyer is still not giving up yet. Okay, the buyer still want to push the price up. So this is the part that you learn how to protect capital. Now, those who join the slightly advanced course, we will talk deeper about this, like how you protect your capital, how you manage to see things in different way. Okay, but anyway, guys, is it a consider a very good discussion, my friend? Is it considered a very good discussion? Okay, now I show you guys another one more here. This is another bearish engulfing. Okay, look at that. Okay, this is another example of bearish engulfing. Okay, beautiful. Okay, price touched the upper band. Price touched the upper band. Look, stochastic immediately cross 80. That's beautiful. And wow, look at that. The price does not wait. The price does not wait, my friend. It straight away show bearish engulfing and bam, right? So you can create your Fibonacci retracement like this from from bottom to top, and then you prepare a stop loss at negative 0.26. Okay, your stop loss is going to be here. Okay, and then let me check the time first, right? Okay, and then your TP is going to be at 161.8 TP1, and then TP2 is going to be 2.618. Okay, now this is a simple step, and let's have a look what the price is going to do with this. Okay, let's play a little bit here. Look at that. This one The price wastes no time, my friend. Yes, waste no time. That means the moment is bearish engulfing. Okay, let me check in here. The moment is bearish engulfing here. Okay, look at that. Guys, just type the boom if you know what I'm talking about. It touched directly at TP1 here. It give you 27 pips. And it touched directly at the TP2 right here is 61 pips. This is a beautiful trade. It's a beautiful trade. Touch TP1, touch TP2. Just type the boom. Yes. All right. Well, this is really one of a good trade. Very, very good trade, right? Okay. So there you go, guys. You just learned one trading strategy right now with me, with using the technique we call Bollinger Band and stochastic. You're going to use 4-hourly chart, and plus you're going to use secret pattern, which is bullish and bearish engulfing. Guys, is this awesome knowledge for you all or not, right? So I hope that you can use this technique and experiment first. Again, guys, don't rush. Use your demo account first. Practice 100 to 200 times of trading. And if you found that it's going to help you guys, don't forget to share with us. We'd like to hear from you guys. And I wish you all the best. I really, really wish you all the best. And today, congratulations, you all learned already, how to trade the market. So at least today, you learn one strategy. Now, Terence said, can we use this on a 1-hourly chart? Yes. Now, some of you asking question, can we use in 1-hourly chart? The answer is yes. Can you use in 15-minute charts? The answer is yes. You can use in any time frame. But the reason why we use 4-hourly chart is because many of you is a part-time trader. Unless you have a lot of time in front of the laptop, yes, you can change the time frame. And that is amazing. All right. Now, this is one of the strategy. There's so many other strategy that you guys can use. Actually, in our program, we have more. We have actually listed 5 to 8 strategies. Okay. Now, each of the strategy is going to suit different traders. Some of the traders, they prefer 2 or 3 strategy. Some traders, they prefer to use another different strategy. You are the one who will choose the strategy that suit your style and suit your time. Okay. Not all of you is a full-time trader here. Full-time trader, different strategy. Part-time trader, different strategy. Okay, all required a different strategy. Okay, now today I want to share with you as well. Now, once again, everyone, congratulations for those who completed our session here. And again, as I mentioned to you all, I have a special gift for you all. Yeah, don't forget, guys. I want you to all to stay tuned towards the end, because I have for those who just joined us right now, okay? Those who just joined us right now, I have a special gift for each and every of you, especially those who attend. I appreciate in each and every of you, and I want to give you all a special gift that is worth $136. So towards the end, I'm going to show you guys how you can download this ebook called Getting Started in Forex Trading. It's going to be so nice for Forex newbie like you guys, and it's worth $37, and I'm going to give you guys for free. And remember, just now I show you guys the Excel file that you guys say, yes sir, I want it. Yes, that Excel file is worth $99, and I'm going to give you guys as well for free. All right, for free. So how many of you want this? So stay tuned, because later on towards the end of the webinar, I will show you guys how to download your free gift. Okay, that is worth $136. Okay, so make sure that you stay tuned towards the end of the show. Okay, that's very important for some of you. Okay, so let me talk about something that I think is worth for me to discuss with all of you. Okay, worth for me to discuss with all of you. Okay, yep, this one. I can see you guys say, yeah, I want. All right, awesome. Yeah, Mike is correct. Yep. Okay, that is absolutely true. Okay, so again, depends on market as well. So I want you all to, what do you call this one? Experience yourself and and start your learning. So remember, as a newbie, you learn first. Okay, you learn first. Don't rush. Use demo account first. Practice first. All right. So take your time. Okay. Now today I want to share with you all as well top 5 challenges actually faced by a lot of newbie traders. Okay, this is what I want to highlight. Okay, number 1. Okay, guys, those who face these challenges, let me know. Okay, right. Number 1, how many of you have still have no idea, right? Why you keep on losing money? and hit too much stop loss, and sometimes some of you hit margin call. Now, this is the thing that the top 5 challenges. How many of you have this problem? Like, why you keep on losing money? Why you hitting too much stop loss? It's good to have a stop loss, but it's not good to have too much stop loss sometimes when you know the stop loss is not technical. That means you exit the trade emotionally, you get panic. And some of you even worse, you hit margin call. Okay, now these are the top 5 challenges that we see. Number 1, they still have no idea why. No idea why the account is always in red color again and again. Number 2, they already attend a lot of trading courses. They attend that courses, they attend these courses, they attend that online courses, they buy books, they watch YouTube. Now, all these things is good. All the courses is good. Don't get me wrong. All the teachers and guru out there, they all are amazing teacher. They all amazing guru. But still the question, why? Why you still do not get a consistent result? Why other traders get consistent result and why not you? Why? There must be something here. Okay, there must be something here. And you guys want to find out why, right? Number 3 is also another problem. When you have too many information overload, you read this trading technique. Then you try 1, 2, 3 round, you give up, you change another technique, you find new magical indicator. While you try 2, 3 times, not suit you, you change again, you change. And you have too many indicators. This one can cause you guys analysis paralysis. It's called information overload. Too much reading already ebook, joining too much Telegram, joining too much until you do not know how to make a decision. How many of you have this problem? Okay, now it's true. If you are overloaded with information, it can cause you guys a big problem when you all trading. Okay, this is another big problem. Okay, number 4, this is what I see again and again: wrong money management. Okay, wrong money management. When they trade, they didn't manage. They don't calculate their risk first. They just go into the trade and they use their feeling to trade the market. This is one of the big mistakes. How many of you agree with me? Right? So wrong money management. They only thinking that the strategy is the most important part. The money management is not the most important part. This is where they got blow up, right? So they lose a lot of money. Again, next time they repeat again the same process. Okay. So they just love to trade big. Okay. Now, if you want to get consistency on your trade, simple rule: trade small. Have a small little win. It's fine. Small little win when you add up, it's gonna be big win. In Bahasa we call it what? Sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit. Sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit, right? You add up a small little win. Okay, it's gonna be a nice progress for you guys. But some of you is not patient enough. That's the why you're losing more money. So be patient. Okay, be patient. This is the truth one. Number 5, quick rich mentality. Lazy to learn, gambling, unrealistic goal. They always think in their mind, sir, I know there's a technique that can turn $100 to $10,000 within one day. They always believe in that kind of. I'm not saying that it cannot be achieved. Okay, maybe one day, once you become so pro, maybe you can achieve. But during at the early stage, it may be not that soon. But that is what a lot of newbie want, turning $100 to $10,000 within a day. And when they don't get this, they blame, oh, this thing is not gonna work. Guys, the moment you don't have unrealistic goal, this is where you lose a lot of money. Think about it. If today you put your money in fixed deposit, only within a year it give you about 4%. If you put in your EPF or Provident Fund, it's going to give you 5%. Some of you here, you have your unit trust, ASB, per year it's only give you 10%. But some of you here, you get about 10% within 2 weeks. You complain it's still not enough. You see, this is the problem. Unrealistic goal. This is the reason why some of you don't go to the next level. Okay? But sometimes you try to think about this. Actually, it's not your fault. Sometimes it's not your fault. You think about it, right? It's actually not your fault as well, because some of you actually still searching for an answer. How many of you agree with me? Some of you actually, you don't want this mistake to happen to you because you are still searching for an answer. You do not know where to get the answer. Okay? So sometimes it's not your fault because you have not get the answer yet. Now, why I say it's not your fault as well, because you are still newbie. Of course, you will make a lot of mistake. Of course, you will lose your money at the early stage. That is very normal for every trader. Okay, it's not your fault because you are still newbie. Okay, all right. Next thing, why I say it's not your fault as well, because you have not discovered the correct trading strategy that suit your style. You have not found which style that suit you. So you have to continue discover. Don't give up. Okay. Continue discover until you get the consistency. Remember, you want to be part of the 10% successful trader and not the 90%. Okay. So you are in the process of to try to find which trading strategy that suit your style. Okay. Another thing is that I say why it's not your fault is because you have not find the right mentor yet. Now, why I say this thing to you is some of you need mentor. You need a mentor to show you, to guide you. Now, some of you, why I say so? Because some of you here, your learning method is not reading. Some of you, after reading ebook, some of you still don't get it because you don't understand. Reading is not your learning mode. Some of you, you need somebody to tell you what to do. You need somebody to teach you how. Your learning mode is by listening and participate. So some of you have different way. Now, some of you, by just watching and learn something online, okay, without any mentor, any coach, you can grow as well. So find your own style of learning until you get a result, okay? But some of you here, you need a mentor. Like me, when I get started right here, oh, I'm struggling. I read a lot of books. I pretend that I know. I always assume that I know. Actually, I don't know. Sometimes when I read it, is I don't get what I want. So I asked my mentor, which is already have a 30 plus year experience in the market. So my mentor guide me, and I found out with a mentor, I learned very, very quick. I learned very, very fast, right? Now, again, I say that it's not your fault as well because you not master the right psychology in trading. You need a time. It's not 6 year. It's not 6 months to 1 year yet. Some of you is not done with your first 3 year yet. Okay, the first 3 years is very important for you to understand your psychology in trading. So some of you is still in the process of mastering. So stay cool. Okay, don't feel bad too much about yourself. Okay, now this is always the thing here. Everything is all about timing. Now I believe is always the right timing. Okay, now those who already trade in the market, this is what I want to say to all of you. Please stop bleeding your account already. Enough. Okay, enough is enough. Okay, stop. If you continue bleeding too much and you repeat the same thing again and again, you're going to blow more of your money, blow off your account. Now, I think it's time for you to improve. I think this is the time for you to improve. You want to turn your portfolio, right, from all the red color, right? You want to turn. You want to see more blue. You want to see more blue. Blue is mean more profit, right? They will be definitely red, but we want to see more blue, okay, on your portfolio. This is the time. This is the time for you guys to improve, right? Now, I want to share with you what of some of my students say here after they join our program, okay? Now, this is Judy Kong, and she shared her inspiring story about how she grew her capital from $733 to $4,000 in less than 2 months. Less than 2 months, guys. Is this amazing or not? Okay, from 3,000 ringgit, she grew it to 16,000 ringgit. And this is what she said. Look. And she celebrates. She withdraw her first 1,512. Now, this is what she said. I'm feeling extremely motivated, excited to be in this program. Like I said earlier on, I should have known you, Sifu, UFV, or back in 15 years ago. So, brother and sister, let's share the good deed Sir Ezone and the team teaching us. Everyone need at least a passive income. All right. So anyone need passive income. So yeah, this is her result. She's been trading in the market for the past 15 years. Yeah. GD is not a newbie. She already trade Forex for 15 years. I'm not sure whether you are the same story like her, but she still have no clue why she don't get the result. Until she joined us, she discovered that there's a few things that she missed out. And that a few things alone change her result. That is so amazing. Okay, another trader right here I want to show you guys, Yvonne. She's a newbie here. Learn one by one, step by step. And she share here how actually she gained 1,551 pips by trading very, very small and consistent. She shared also how she grow. She start with a small amount first, $1,000, and slowly she go to $1,600. This is what she did within like 2 weeks or 3 weeks after she done with her, a demo account. This is what she do. Okay, step by step. Now, small little result like this. Okay, it's progress, my friend. Okay, another one that I like to share with you. Now, you guys gonna be surprised, right? So, why you only show a lot of lady